Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Ben Bosson, the world's most illustrious neurosurgeon. I've performed surgeries on cerebellums of animals that you can't even pronounce or know the genus of. It's come to my attention that people out here on the internet, which was developed by Al Gore, who's an evil white devil Democrat, people are saying that I've ran for president of the United States, which is absolutely ridiculous. I have no time to do such things. I'm very busy repairing the brains of baby zebras in Botswana right now at this moment. How could I ever have ran for president?
Yo, stop my time. You did, though. I remember, I vividly recall you in a debate. You ran for president, dog.
Sir,
Let
me ask you one question.
Yeah.
Are you a snitch?
No.
Because it sounds like you're snitching right now, Desus.
No.
Desus Nice, if that is your real name. I doubt it. It seems to me that you're snitching on me, saying that I have ran for president of the United States when I in fact did not. As a matter of fact, I'm out of here because I'm being accused of things that I have nothing to do with. Bodega Boys in the building. This is episode 8,000 or something like that. The brand is way strong. Y'all niggas already know what time it is. Kaden, take us out with the wind chime gangster shit. Holla.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, episode 20.
Yo, we out
20
here.
episodes of the Art.
That's right.
It's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. 1994, a.k.a. Desus H. Fuego. You know I come through with the hot takes, a.k.a. Buchos Gully, a.k.a. Slobodan might know you, bitch. Yo, we out here. The
That's
brand's
right.
so strong.
Super brolic. Super the Kid American Human Direct Clap. A.K.A. Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying?
Dab on
A.K.A. You know what I'm saying? Metro Bloomin' Onion. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I'm out here in these streets. The human durag is in the building, and I'm sitting right in front of an iFold thing. I don't know what that is.
And you guys is like, where's the art? Where's the art? Where's the art on Instagram?
here.
Where's the art? Where's the art? Where's the art? Art emoji. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, pal.
Here's your art. Here's your
Relax.
Art. But the art is life changing. I've met people. Go shout out to all the fans we meet out in real life. We've had a busy week. Met with DJ Khaled this week.
DJ Khaled, and he was like, "Yo, I fuck with y'all so heavy. You're like, you're the funniest niggas I ever met in my life."
Yeah, you know, well,
He may not have said that, but he was definitely thinking it.
He was thinking it.
He
He had
definitely
to.
thinking it.
If he wasn't exposed before, he was because we put him at risk for the funny. Right? The full blown funny.
Football funny virus, dog.
Give you the full blown funny monster. Right? You're gonna compromise your immune system by laughing.
Yo.
Trick your insurance. Shout out to the sponsor. As always, we are recording live from Studio B. It's an emergency studio at
right.
Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out to ISIS, the Zika vaccine.
Yeah.
Mero's
K2.
wife is Church.
Church.
Mero's wife is Church. Took us to church. And K2.
K2. And
Also, to all my Heims out there, happy Passover.
oh, yo, we lit.
You lit?
Let's get it. Seder's lit.
See,
You know what I'm saying? Go there, read the book backwards. You know what I'm saying? Do all
Yeah.
that fly shit.
We talk about a lot of Jewish stuff on here.
Talk about the plagues and shit. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Niggas have plagues.
Yeah. I feel like the Passover happened already. We already spoke about it, but apparently we just talk about something Jewish every week.
Yeah, it is. Yo, actually, Passover is this weekend, but it's mad ill because this important part of the Passover is the plagues, right? Where it's like the frogs and whatever, which is mad terrifying. Like if that happened right now, if it started raining frogs right now, niggas would be nervous. You know
Well,
what I'm saying? You'd be shook.
probably, but I might.
Raining frogs?
Raining frogs? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The blood shit. Actually, it's funny because my kids have finger puppets of plagues, which
Oh,
I don't know why you would
that's
have
charming.
a finger puppet. Yeah.
That's charming.
Like, yo, death. The 8 reasons of death. You die.
Wow.
Make
Sounds
fun,
like
have
a
fun.
lot.
It's a lot, but then you get brisket and shit, so it's lit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like St. Patrick's Day, but just wild depressing with Bible stories?
It's less obnoxious. It's way less obnoxious than St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is very obnoxious. Very obnoxious. It's like SantaCon without costumes.
Okay.
St.
Well,
Patrick's Day.
that's what Passover is? Okay.
It's more Thanksgiving.
Sounds passive aggressive.
Hey.
That segment was brought to you by our new sponsor, Jewfax. Jewfax.
Show me the Jew facts.
Show you the Jewfax. How many miles on that dreidel? All right. Shout out to Kelly Ripa. She's
Yo.
going through things right now. We don't really stand with her because her man Mike Strahan, who I said on the art previously that I get nervous when he stands next to her.
Right,
'Cause
right.
if he decided to
He
wild
could
out,
kill her.
he could kill her with like one arm. He could
One
rip her
strike.
face off like an orangutan.
Just what?
And some dickhead went online and retweeted that and added him at her, and then Michael Strahan was like, "You're a racist and stupid" or some shit to me. So shout out to Michael Strahan.
Shut the race straight.
But
he never fixed his teeth.
he never did. He knew that gap would get him into the gap of success.
Oh, okay.
Now he's on
All
Good
right.
Morning America, but apparently he didn't tell Kelly Ripa because the network was like, "Yo, keep this on the low."
Yeah, and he bounced.
And he just bounced, and now she's protesting by not showing up.
Feeling betrayed, and she's
Feeling
taking
betrayed.
a vacation that she already planned months ago.
Right.
Yeah, I know.
And then Oprah came out and was like, I stand with Kelly Ripa. Hogan's like, first of all, Oprah, go back to swimming in your tower full of gold doubloons.
Come on.
All right?
Yeah.
With Gail eating grapes. All
Relax.
right? Also, Kelly Ripa.
By grapes, he means her butt.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Gail's eating the cheeks.
For the back. Need a special effect for that.
Was that Willy Wonka with a fat white kid ate mad chocolate cake? And yeah, mad chocolate cake. That was it?
But no, Kelly Ripa got to understand. It's just Hollywood, baby.
It's just Hollywood.
It's just Hollywood, baby.
Yo.
Listen, there's a lot of fucked up things happen in TV and networks and shit. We haven't been here that long, but we know.
We talking all the
We
time.
know.
Niggas had the
You know.
red wedding of icons. I was going to say a lot of niggas got the axe.
It happens. You can't get mad because he had an opportunity. Like things happen. People
on.
like, yo, keep this under your hat. Don't
gotta
mention
come
this.
up.
Listen, Kelly, you good? You was doing yogurt commercials.
Yeah.
You got money. You all right.
She's doing way more than she's like Instagram thought 5.0.
Yeah,
dog. She's
like,
got doing all types of sponsorships.
good.
She's good money. But I
good.
think she's more in her feelings because they were clearly smashing. And
Everyone
he just
keeps
bounced.
saying that.
But yo, I seen a picture. The picture that they put up this morning with the headline
Right.
is like him, like he got his hands around her waist. He's looking into her eyes. You can't even really see her face because she's like all in his face. It's like, yo, you're smashing, B. Like, you don't take photos with people like that. You're not smashing.
As a black man who is routinely falsely accused
Oh, smashing?
of smashing white women, I feel
Falsely
some kind of way.
accused, nigga?
Falsely accused.
Yeah, I know.
Falsely accused. If you smell my chest right now, it smells like cocoa butter and Afro punk.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, right? Shout out to all my sisters out there. Don't let the man lie to y'all. Right? I be answering black girls' snaps on Snapchat because I love the chocolate.
Yo, shout out to
But
the
yeah,
chocolate.
straight head. I don't know.
He's out here like, yo, you gotta, like you said,
How
you gotta
come
let him, you gotta let him
from
cook.
gay rumors to now he's smashing Kelly Ripa?
Cause he was, man.
He was
Or
what?
that was like his work wife to a level that we have never seen before.
Yeah.
Cause you know how niggas be at work, yo, you got your work wife or whatever, or your work husband.
Yeah.
It's like a person, you just, whatever.
Yeah.
But this guy, like, they were really on some next shit. Like,
Damn.
like, come on, fam. You could, it's the energy. You know, niggas talk about chemistry?
Yeah.
Their chemistry was like, we're fucking chemistry, B. It wasn't like, we're cool and we make jokes. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're cool and we make jokes. Nigga, like,
I was about to say, please clean that up. 'cause
yo, we're cool and we make jokes. I'm not
this
looking.
is,
I'm
we're
not,
not. It's not lusty in here.
I'm not looking
This ain't
into your
love lines,
eyes.
all right? I'm not getting moist in the cheeks
You
as
know
he
what I'm
talks.
saying? You know, nigga, straight here, come on, son. Anytime he did something that was like a display of strength or some shit, like if
Yeah.
he pick up a 5-gallon bottle of water or some shit, she was like, oh,
God.
just mad pheromones in the air.
See, he's flambéing that
Come
pussy.
on. He was flaming it. He was sacking that pussy.
Woo!
You know what I'm saying?
Doing that dance. Finger popping her with the championship
You know
ring
what I'm saying?
on. Not even taking it off.
Not even taking them shit
Savage.
off. Straight sav.
Savage.
Like, yo, Tiki Bob, I'm what you could have been, nigga.
Oh,
you know what I'm
man.
saying?
You know, so shout out to the Bronx.
Shout out to BX all
We
day.
was out in West Farms.
That's
the other
right.
day.
That's right.
There's some unfortunate going-ons in the Bronx. Africa
Solidify.
Bambaataa.
I thought you were
People-
going to solidify that nobody watches Game of Thrones in the Bronx.
No, nobody watches Game of
Yeah,
Thrones. Fuck
but
that.
that's
Fuck
just-
that. It comes back this Sunday or some
Yeah,
bullshit.
blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares.
People are like, how do we feel about the Africa Bambaataa thing? I'm like, what do you mean, how do we feel?
How do you feel? What do you
What
mean?
do you mean?
Just, if a nigga, listen, there's one thing that's gonna make it like we will ride for BX all day. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? But there's one thing that's gonna make us not ride with you, and that's getting your dick sucked by a little boy. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
If you can't,
all right.
If you
Well,
fucking,
okay.
If you're out here on the Jared plan, my nigga, we can't rock with you. It's
man.
not allowed. Like we can't.
That's wild. And people are like, yo, that's your man. I'm like, dog, I have no Africa Bambaataa on my,
I don't
on my,
have-
phone, on my iTunes.
I deleted Planet Rock yesterday, like last
I-
week. When
I-
that shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, go ahead, say it.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. We have a filthy joke. That's Steve.
Gog, Planet Gog.
God, wow. Jeez Louise.
Yo, get out of here.
Thank
Like,
God there's a
this is wild.
podcast. There's those sensors on this. We'd be out the paint really quickly.
Very
quickly.
Yeah, I'm probably acting like it's been blinging. But yeah, chill. That's foul. You shouldn't touch
foul.
kids. We already say that.
We already
you,
said that.
You shouldn't touch kids.
I mean, that goes
You know what
without
I'm
saying.
Yeah.
Like, and then it's like Erica Badu.
Oh,
She
yeah.
had the hot
Fuego takes,
Fuego
yeah.
takes, talking
Yeah.
about your little thoughts, stop wearing skirts because you're
Yeah.
attracting older men.
I mean, I went to Catholic school for like
Shout out to all my thoughts and Scanlon.
words. Shout out to Scanlon. Shout out to St. Catherine's. I went to Scanlon for half a year, my freshman year, and I got kicked out.
Mm-hmm.
But that half a year, I've seen girls coming in and like hiking the skirts up on
Yeah.
purpose. Like, I'm trying to look
if you're a
fire.
Catholic school
Yo,
thought,
it's
that's what you
good.
did. You
know
pulled
what
up
I'm saying?
the blue and the pink skirt.
So I understand that part of it, but the other part of it is the
But
little
see, they were
problematic.
doing that. They was like doing that to attract like the boys. And
Right.
not
Oh,
really-
yeah, of course.
not
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, me.
But then even then, yeah.
14-year-old Mero.
But then it's just like
Not
if
doctor or
you're
whatever.
like if you're like a 38-year-old man and like the 14-year-old girl is throwing you the box, you should know bad touch, bad touch,
bad touch.
bad touch. All right.
Do the math, fam.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No. But no, Erica Badu was like, your little thoughts, put on your skirts. She was like, I can see both sides, which I listen, I'm all
Big
for the
proponent.
gotta hear both sides.
Yeah.
But you don't want to be in front of a judge saying, gotta hear both sides, Your Honor. Why'd you list those kids? You gotta hear both sides.
Yeah, gotta hear both sides.
Babies are sexier nowadays. You can't. This is not the hill you want to die on.
Yeah, nah, definitely not.
But everyone's coming with. There's been a lot of like fuego takes.
Fuego takes.
What's her name? Mia.
MIA.
MIA. She came out and was like, "Yo, Beyonce can say all lives matter. Why doesn't she say Muslims lives matter?" And it's just like, "Yo, you made paper planes. Relax.
Yeah, just cool out.
Cool
You know what
out.
I'm saying?
Like, aren't you worth like $63 billion? Like,
Fam, this is why I never take this shit seriously, because this is always just like a bunch of rich niggas disagreeing on
I
shit.
can't wait.
You know what I'm saying?
I
Like, that's
can't
really what it
wait.
is. You know what I mean? Beyonce's not gonna say anything about this. BT Dubs. You know what I mean? She has
Yeah.
nothing to say. She's not gonna comment on this, so don't even wait for it.
because she got the army. She got
the Beehive is gonna speak on her behalf.
The Beehive.
You know
Shout
what
out to
I'm
the Bodega Hive. They out there too.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all.
Fucking on my Instagram.
You feel me?
Yeah, but I can't wait till we're rich and we're doing like the Fuego
Man,
hot takes.
what's gonna be your first Fuego
My
take?
first hot take, I'm just gonna be like, yo, I feel like if Hillary really wants to be president, she has to get hormone replacement therapy to even out the estrogen she lost during menopause.
You gonna be an estrogen truther?
Yes.
You gonna invent that shit?
Yes, I am. Show me her estrogen levels.
Yeah.
She's unstable.
My shit is starting a federal investigation on Michael Jordan getting his pops killed.
Wow.
Over gambling debts. I'm doing that.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to destroy Michael Jordan's legacy, B.
Wow.
As a
What you
90s
gonna
Knicks
do?
fan.
What happens if Michael Jordan puts a hands on you?
Though we gotta scrap. I feel like Michael Jordan he's way bigger than me.
I feel like
Pause.
Michael Jordan's gonna beat the shit out of you, and it's gonna look
How
funny.
much does Michael Jordan
'cause he
weigh
has,
right
like,
now?
That fucking
The hoop earring that should be
That shit's
dangling?
gonna be dangling. While you
He's probably jumped me. Like
gonna-
him and Charles Oakley and shit.
He gonna
Like, it
be
won't be
kicking you
fair.
with some fucking bootcut jeans.
it won't be
that's
fair.
Acid wash.
It would not be a fair fight. He'll catch me. I'm mass smack dolo, like slumped in the corner like Atlantic City. Like, yeah.
You're gonna think you had to drop on him. You're gonna
Yeah.
reach for the back of his shirt to try to reach for his tag, and
Yeah.
he's gonna turn around and be like, ha ha, scumbag. It's Haynes.
Tagless, nigga. He's gonna
got
take
you.
off his little Hitler mustache. It's actually a razor. And
just
buck
cut your
50 my shit.
face. Scottie Pippen's gonna be in the corner laughing.
Yo, shout out to Scottie Pippen and the Madonna story where Madonna used to pick Scottie Pippen up at the airport in a limo and smash, and Jordan got tight because Jordan was like, yo, you fucking Scottie, you not fucking me, nigga, I'm Jordan. You know
He's
what I'm
right,
saying?
though.
That's just one of the many.
I think that's what people forget. Like, people's like, oh, LeBron is better than Jordan, whatever. No athlete has ever achieved the scumbag levels of Michael Jordan, because every day a new Michael Jordan was an asshole to me story comes out.
Look how long it took for Bill Cosby shit to come out. Wait until Michael Jordan's like 80.
Oh,
and,
that shit.
And like all that, it's gonna be like a fucking nuclear bomb of like Africa Bambaataa, Bill Cosby.
It's gonna be like, yo,
gambling.
Michael Jordan visited me in like a children's cancer hospital. And he asked me how many white blood cells I had left, and then he gambled on it last night. And when he came back, he spilled ashes on me. Like, thanks, little nigga. And that's how the cigar sevens were made.
Yo, limited release, psych general release.
General release, Nike drawing. Oh, you got an hour to enter. Oh, here's your L. You didn't get your sneakers. That's what my
That's what
Nike
give you an L,
said.
like a gift of like the
That's
Jordan
what they
laughing
need. They
gift.
just need like the fucking the MJ, the crying MJ. Nike got to the point now. It's not even like, yo, Nike, I want to buy these. Nike, you have to enter a drawing.
Yeah.
Because people have sneaker bots and shit.
Wow.
And well, you know,
Sneaker bot.
hey, it's whatever. Nike, listen, Nike's making trillions and billions of dollars. They don't give a fuck. They're just gonna. People are stupid.
Yo, I remember when J. Rue the Damager. I'm dating myself a little bit here.
A
J.
little
Rue the
bit.
Damager
A little
said,
bit.
The chips from nuclear bombs power my Sega or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Like niggas are using like terrorism bots to buy sneakers.
No, listen.
How does that make you feel, fam? That you're in cahoots with fucking possibly ISIS,
Well, you know what?
where you use a sneaker bot.
Listen, you gotta look fresh. You know what I'm saying? They say fresh to death for a reason. Okay, my sneaker closet's been radicalized. All right.
Yeah.
Listen, when I walk up in with some fresh J's, that shit is like the Bataclan. All right, I'm out here.
Killing them.
Killing them.
Oh,
Killing them
damn.
in these streets.
No, stop.
Problematic light. The problematic light is on. The problematic light is on. No, fuck yeah, I like sneakers. You know what I realized? It's not the actual sneakers themselves that I enjoy. It's the actual thrill of copying the sneakers. Like if I know a release gonna be like mad hard to get, like that Saturday morning I might have like mad tabs open, Jimmy Jazz, Foot Locker, Finish Line.
Jimmy Jazz is in there?
Jimmy Jazz. You know what? Jimmy Jazz, you think that's like the wild scumbag store on fucking
The digital
on like Fordham Road and shit, because their website is trash and crashes all the time. But they get releases way before, not way before, but they get pretty popular releases, and their website can handle some traffic. It can take a pounding.
Whoa, pause. It's like a little it's like the video game stores when niggas have the video games before they drop. Shout out to Vic's Music Hut.
Yeah,
The Bronx. You know what I'm saying?
Is that still around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vic is out here getting money.
Is he? People just buy their shit on Instagram now.
That's crazy.
Can you even buy video games in stores now? Or don't you have to do like digital downloads?
You
Can I
do
just
digital
say,
downloads.
as an aside, joining Xbox Live was the worst shit I've ever done.
Oh, you on there now?
It's like every time my Xbox One is on there, and every time I turn it on and I'm just like, I want to play a quick game of Black Ops 3. It's like, hey, dickhead, let's wait for the hour and download this 1 gigabyte
Update.
Update.
The updates are the worst. Why? I'm not a computer nigga, so I don't even understand why they need to do
Because they
update the shit every
nerf the
month.
guns, and like they tweak if some guns are more powerful than others, and they might change like how powerful a grenade is in multiplayer and shit like that.
So the dude who calls me a faggot nigger is the reason why I gotta wait an hour.
Well, I mean, if they're
To
upgrading
update.
shit and they're upgrading patches, because there's like holes in the map, and you can go through one wall and show up in another, and then like glitches and shit like that. You know, there's shit to do. Because listen, little kids who have nothing to do but stay at home, call their mother a bitch,
Yeah, that's right.
and masturbate. They will find everything
Yeah,
that's
they
wrong
really
with a
will.
video game.
They really will.
And they will fuck it up. That's remember the noob tube?
Oh god, that was the worst.
That niggas
And then I
just
learned how to
fired
do
the
that
game.
shit, and I was like, all right,
Yeah.
it's okay, I guess. Yo, but shout out to all you motherfuckers. I literally, like you just said, I just want to hop on for 20 minutes, like curse at y'all and like shoot an Uzi, and y'all really make my experience terrible by like being really too good at the shit, and then like I spawn and get shot from across the map.
If
Fuck
you're
y'all.
over 25, you shouldn't be playing video games anyway.
I mean,
That was 15-year-old Desus saying that,
yeah.
by the way.
Yo, let me tell you something. Those takes appear on Twitter monthly.
Yes.
Of like people who are like 19, 20 being like,
If you over 25, you shouldn't be
you
on
should
Twitter.
be on Twitter. I can't imagine being on Twitter past the age of 25. I'll be having kids and a job. Guess what, nigga? I have kids, a job, a wife, a fucking 100,000 bills, and I'm still able to
Guess
get these
what?
fire tweets off.
When I see those, I'm just like, just wait, nigga.
Yeah, just wait.
Just wait.
Just
It's
wait.
coming for you. Twitter comes for everyone eventually. Please do what these people say.
There's only 5 years left.
Hoo-ha.
Ah.
Shout out to Busta Rhymes. He's still alive?
He's still alive.
I saw a picture. I'm not sure.
That nigga's neck is thicker than the top of
He
his
looks
head.
like Two-Face from He-Man.
He looks nuts, bro.
Yeah.
He looks like Clayface.
No, Ram Man.
Ram Man?
Yeah, man. Yeah, there you go.
Shout out to the niggas that had Marvel cards back in the day. Did you have Marvel cards?
I
back in the day?
used to, me and my little sister used to shoplift Marvel cards from cow doors.
Shout
Shout
out
out
to
to cow doors out in Pella Bay Mall. And my little sister would put it like in her gloves. And I would show her where to position herself so that the surveillance camera couldn't see you.
right.
And we would rack up.
Yo, I had a couple Marvel
Because
cards.
we were little super predators. We're the Hillary.
Shout out to my super predators out there.
I feel
I was
like
definitely a super predator.
I was super predator.
Hell yeah.
I was super predator.
Yeah.
What? Super predator.
Yo, run laps around in the channel. What?
When Hillary becomes president, she's gonna come back and be like, "Yeah, I said it.
Yeah, I said it.
Yeah,
nigga.
I
What?
said it.
I said what
Yeah,
I said.
it. This is Hillary.
She's gonna start
I'm
using-
from Bolingbrook.
She's gonna start calling niggas niggas.
She's gonna be like, "Yeah, I got the nigger vote.
Yeah, what's up, motherfuckers?
This is Hillary. I was in the back listening to Little Yachty."
Have you heard a Little Yachty song yet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some dude was like, yo.
You know the thing is like, we're at the point in the music game where
Yeah.
it doesn't matter if someone's good or not. Like they're next.
Right.
So it's like get aboard or not.
Yeah, true.
I call this.
God, get aboard the yacht.
I call this the Kendricking.
Ah.
Because at some point it's like, yo, whether you like this artist or not,
They're important.
Someone has decided this person is important and this person
Important.
is next and person has been blessed and we are going to hear about this person nonstop for just the next couple of months. So
Shout
get
out to
aboard.
fucking niggas calling music artists important. I used to do the music reviews for Vice, and I never once used the word important because that's like the worst thing you could do. Music is fucking like a joke, nigga. If I say a joke and you think this shit is hilarious and this guy thinks it's not funny,
Yeah.
I can't review that joke to make him thinks it's funny. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like, music is the same way.
Yeah.
Like, I like ice cream, you don't like ice cream. I can't convince you to like it with a cool review and telling you how cool it is.
I like the reviews because this is like you read like people getting their feelings about the reviews, and then it's
That's
just,
really
like,
it.
And if you know the person that did the review and you know what's going on in their life, you're like, oh well, you gave this album a bad thing because you're going through a breakup.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like wild shit like that, and people, like listen, it's a job for people.
Hey, here. Shout out to all my music writers out there.
Shout out my noisy people.
You know what I'm saying? Noisy gang.
Out there crying in some Brooklyn bathroom on mad Xannies.
Yo, Craig, what up, nigga?
Baby, all right? This baby ain't all right. All right. Yo, shout out to Harriet Tubman on the 20.
On the 20, but you know
on
what?
20?
The niggas snatch your joy real fast, homie. Andrew Jackson is not going to be eliminated from the $20 bill. They're going to put him on the back of the $20 bill. So he's still behind Harriet watching.
You know, I find it funny how Harriet Tubman was rebelling against being a piece of capital in the America, and I'm spelling America with 3 Ks.
Oh, is this Hotep Desus?
This is Hotep Desus. I'm just saying that she would not be appreciating that she is now part of currency, the currency that is part of the paternal, capitalist, white, patriarchal, capitalist system in America that's being perpetuated through patriarchy. We're going to tear this apart. All right?
Oh, shit.
You know what? The master's tools will never be used to undo the master's house.
Teach these devils.
Teach them.
Yo, bro, you just hit the mad, like, super combo
I hit
of,
them
like,
all.
buzzwords.
I hit
You really did it.
them all.
Yeah,
Listen,
yeah.
I feel that in my heart.
You know
I feel that in my grapes.
You know what I'm saying? I feel it in my plums.
But no, that's this is wild. I feel like this is a reach. Like everyone's like, this is a good thing. I don't think Harriet Tubman would want to be on the money. I'd be like, I feel like if they asked her, she'd be like, yo, fuck your money.
Fuck your money, dog.
Yo, shout out. This is Harriet Tubman.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm out here turning my headphones up.
Turn my motherfucking headphones up, nigga.
My new single, Fuck America.
Fuck motherfucking America,
Runaway
nigga.
slaves.
Yo, Betsy Ross this dick, nigga.
Yo, fuck that. shout my nigga Nat Turner. Killing these devils.
Shout out to Nat Turner with the movie coming out.
Nat Turner. Yo. Nat
I
Turner.
said shout out to Nat Turner like he's out here.
No, he's out here.
He's going to be at the premiere and shit. Like,
No.
fucking... Oh, boy.
How can they didn't put Nat Turner on 20?
Because
shit's too real. You don't want that daily reminder every time you open your wallet that niggas is coming for your throat. Because you know, if niggas really wanted to get revenge,
listen, it can happen.
But you know what? Listen, we got Jordans.
Yeah, Jordans.
And we got like PlayStations and Xbox. Listen, we got bread and circuses. We're chilling.
Got the NBA's lit right now.
Right
Playoffs
there. We got
popping.
Steph Curry.
You know
Black
what I'm
people ain't rioting. We'll be fine.
Shout out to Steph Curry,
you know,
who really has made all the branding missteps. I wish I was his like PR guy because I'm
no,
like,
he's
fam,
gonna make money.
He's definitely making money no matter what.
Right.
But like, I've said this 100,000 times. The shoes are whack, B.
Yeah.
And you're a sneaker guy.
I'm a sneaker
guy. You know what I'm saying? You can't tell me those sneakers
I'm
are
not
fire.
gonna lie. The 72-10 Jordans will always be hotter than anything.
Come on.
Under Armour is gonna make to celebrate this shit.
It don't matter. Them niggas can go 82-0.
Yeah.
And it does not
It
matter.
does not matter.
It does not matter because them niggas
Under
making
Armour,
baby jet skis.
You know
for
what?
your feet.
What really fucked up Eddie Under Armour's brand? Remember when Eddie Long was diddling them kids?
Oh yeah.
And he took the picture.
He had the whole suit
in the
on?
white thing.
Looking
And then
like...
also you got like another reputed allegedly Chelmo Dwight Howard. He's always known
Out
to be
here.
in some Under Armour
Wetsuits.
If so facto, if P then Q, Under Armour is favored by child molesters.
Listen.
Allegedly,
you know what I'm saying? Not saying that you are, but
Not
I'm
just
saying,
saying,
just
just saying.
that's where the clues lead.
You know what I'm saying? That's apparently where they shop.
You know what I'm saying?
So, Steph Curry, if I would like you to make a statement, okay, are you going on my enemies list? Yo, shout out to my man Ezra. He's out here. Yo, Bill de Blasio. You
know what I'm saying?
Yo, when my nigga Ezra
you know what I'm saying?
asks you better answer.
You better answer, fam.
You better ask. Yo, de Blasio.
You have to answer to us.
Answer. Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
We let you cook eating pizza backwards.
Being
and
a
you
Red
was like,
Sox fan.
Oh, I'm cool. I got a black wife. My son has an afro. Nah, you running out of excuses. All right?
Shit gonna save you.
When my man E-Z Rah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like, yo, get at me.
You know what I'm saying? You better get at him, dog. Quickly.
Yo, how do you feel about the election results?
I feel like the elections are a scam, fam. I feel like, yo, honestly, it's 2016. Why the fuck am I still walking to a metal box to pull a metal lever to vote, fam? You know what I'm saying? And I can see both sides of that coin of like the internet and like digital shit is susceptible to like getting hacked and shit. But so is like everything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
but I mean, given the government's track record, and I mean, they can't even put it together a
good
medical
health
system for like veterans and shit.
Fair.
Like you really, and you know what would happen would be like Halliburton or somebody would get the contract to create, and then the votes would just be all willy wonky. I mean, we can vote. Apparently, we can vote for the new American Idol by text. But we can't
NBA
vote
All
for,
Stars. You know what I'm saying? Make sure LeBron's in there, but we can't vote for president. Okay.
Yo, shout out to everyone that was like, "Yo, New York, what happened? How'd you let Trump win?" Blah blah. Let me explain something to you, jabronis.
Fucking idiots.
All right,
bro.
New York City is a what?
City.
It's a small part of a bigger place called New York State. And anything above, I want to say, White Plains.
Yeah, I was gonna say Yonkers.
Yeah, even Yonkers. Like, listen, it gets very racist very fast.
I mean, obviously niggas have never been to Staten Island.
Okay. Oh God.
Like, come on.
Oh my God. It's Staten Island's fighting. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, B.
Come on. I think their flag is no niggers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like
keep them all in Stapleton.
It's a fucking ferry, like a black guy behind it just drowning. But because you got like Rust Belt towns up in upstate New York, and all they got is a prison. Like everyone works.
That's it.
In a prison economy. They're voting for Trump. Listen, they're gonna make America great again.
Let's be real.
Also, people are like, why didn't Bernie win? I don't know. Like Bernie's cool, but did people show up to vote?
That's really what you got to think about. Also, the whole parties changing primary shit was very sus.
It was sus.
You know what I'm saying? Not gonna get into that because I'm not. Shout out to Chris Hayes. Y'all can ask him about that or Ezra. But you know what I'm saying? I'm not Politico. But that shit was a little sus.
Yeah.
And Bernie,
they make voting should not be that difficult.
It shouldn't, man. If you're allowed to vote, like if you're not like. Also, I think felons should be allowed to vote.
They are. Most like if you go through the paperwork, you can get.
Oh yeah.
All
right, cool. So that's dope.
What they need to do, they need to make voting mandatory. Like if you don't vote, you go to jail.
Oh, you don't vote, you go to jail. I don't know about jail, but you don't vote.
Yeah.
You know what?
No.
You know how niggas will really vote? If you don't vote, you don't get your tax return. You don't get your tax return back.
No.
Yeah.
You gotta have that jail shit. You gotta put that fear in niggas.
What about niggas that are like, I don't want to go to jail. I want to go get my teeth fixed.
Nigga, go. You gotta go vote. Think about it. Like that's the one thing they, as an American citizen, they're like, yo, well, taxes and shit. But it's just like, yo, let's vote.
They should. You know what? They should mail your ballot in the mail.
No, that's not safe.
And then return. You just send it back.
Yo, you can't even trust your fucking mailman to deliver your Smooth magazine without having jizz stains on Kenya Moore's butt. How are you gonna expect him to get the ballot to you?
All right.
This ain't popping. Yo, shout out to everyone that was locked up and had to like beat their meat furiously to Blue Cantrell's nudes.
Oh God, that's terrible.
My cousin.
Sorry. Blue Cantrell's a cousin?
No, not Blue Cantrell's my cousin. My cousin was in jail. Nigga. Keep up.
I mean, it sounds like you said Blue Cantrell's cousin, but she's
Speaking of porn, rest in peace, Chyna.
Oh shit,
she died.
That's right.
She had that porn. She had a huge clit.
Gigantic.
It was like a Vienna sausage.
That was wild. And you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I watched it. So
so what?
We're gender fluid.
Who cares? Gender's a spectrum.
As someone said online, I enjoy the Bodega Boys because they're sex positive.
Yeah,
we are sex positive.
Super sex positive out here. Super positive about the sex.
We're all about the positives.
Yo, chill. Niggas drinking his short.
Niggas like, yeah, I fuck with that. Cough.
Damn, there goes 2 T-cells. But Chyna was ill because Chyna really was like a popping. I don't remember any other like women wrestlers besides Chyna. You know what I'm saying?
But like Triple H fucked up her life, I think.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah, and drinking.
Remember when she was on that show, that reality show where it was like her and
Real Life or some shit like that?
Yeah, her and like Mini Me and like a bunch of other weirdos. That was so ill. Like I don't think you could even do that right now.
Yeah,
I feel like this is problematic.
Well, also because all those people were like washed, but at the time like that there was no shows like that. Like now people would be wild offended if you brought them on.
Like, yo, you want to be us in real life? What you trying to say?
You trying to say I'm washed?
You trying to say I'm washed?
No one ever wants to admit when they're washed, but like you know when you're washed.
I mean, look at Vanilla Ice. Vanilla Ice was washed, was ashamed of himself, was mad depressed, got a Home Shopping Network show, and now is doing like the Welcome Back to the 90s tour. Niggas got a Welcome Back to the 90s tour with like Coolio and all these motherfuckers that definitely need to check.
I mean,
how many people do you think are gonna be smoking crack in that green room, in those tents?
I mean,
probably a lot of them. Probably all of them.
It happens.
It's probably sponsored by crack.
You know what? It's not as easy to get crack as it used to be.
It's definitely not.
Is there an app for crack?
There should be a crack. Can we make the crack app?
We're gonna make a crack app.
A crack app?
Crack app.
Well, we were in West Farm.
It's gonna be Cracker. It's gonna be CRACR. It's a Web 2.0 startup. We're doing a lot of crack related synergy.
Yeah, just looking for some angel investors.
You know what? We're just shifting the paradigm of crack delivery. Like for too long, people have been using vertical markets to get their crack. And what we're going to do, we're going to use influencers to get the crack. You know what? Too long you have gone to the crack. Now the crack comes to you.
The crack comes to you.
Okay? And we're doing it through millennial branding. Or imagine if all you had to do was send the crack smoking emoji and you send it out, and in 20 minutes, a drone delivers your crack.
Incredible. And we're just like he said, we're using influencers, social streams to create a brand awareness.
There's never been anything like this. This is one of the youngest companies ever. We
Yeah.
have Matty B. He's going to be the CEO.
Unbelievable talent.
He's just a young guy.
Incredible.
We have Azalea Banks. She's working on the branding.
Incredible.
Our VP of COO is Yes Jules.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Kidavelli is in charge of research and development.
That's right.
It's lit.
Yeah.
It's lit. We're going to have our initial IPO in 2018.
2018.
We're looking at a $3 billion valuation.
Incredible.
And I was talking to Mark Zuckerberg the other day, and Facebook, I don't want to jump the gun.
High interest from Facebook.
High interest.
Drawing
So
a lot
get
of
in
interest
when
from
you can.
Facebook. Yeah.
Get in.
A lot of exciting co-branding opportunities with Doritos.
It's great.
It's just really exciting right now.
It's great. And at 1 out of every 3 rocks, like $5 goes to help a kid in Kenya buy shoes.
That's right.
They're not necessarily poor kids, but the
Right.
shoes are whack. So
That's
we
part
wanna
of
help
our
them.
initiative with Tom's and Under Armour.
It's, it just feels good to help these underprivileged kids.
It's amazing.
I went to Africa the other day, and they were drinking water out of an antifreeze bottle.
What?
And I mean, it was just so beautiful when I put a filter on it on Instagram.
Incredible.
Blessed.
It's blessed
Just
to be
blessed.
just to be part of this.
Just,
you know,
just
it's
the
incredible.
experiences.
Yeah.
This is just wonderful.
Just to make crack more accessible to the community. It's really incredible.
I see these people, they're smoking the krills, and I just looked at myself and I said, how can I help?
How can I help them?
How can I help?
How can I better? How can the experience?
I worry because I'll never have that thirst.
Yeah.
I envy them. Like the idea that they just wake up
They wake
and
up.
they suck dick for crack.
It's unbelievable.
I just never had that.
I never had that
I've
impulsive
never had that
desire.
passion.
Yeah,
I
that
envy
incredible
them.
passion. Yeah,
I envy them.
To be honest, I do.
I
mean-
wrote a poem about it. I was going to show in a gallery.
Okay.
In Williamsburg.
Nice.
It's called the Crack Chronicles.
Oh, it's amazing. We have our
amazing.
installation at Red Bull next
We
week,
do.
220 West 18th Street. Come by, check it out, guys.
It's lit.
Yo, shout out to niggas that actually sit around and talk like that and have decks to prove it.
Want to see my cracker deck?
Shout out to my niggas making decks.
Shout out to everyone that's listening to this. Like, yo, I will invest in cracker. That's right. Watch next week. Like, they're gonna be like, yo, like, we're gonna quit this shit and just be running cracker.
We're
gonna have
the fucking
Jeff-
little headset microphone and
Jeff
shit.
Goldblum's gonna invest in it. Like, I like your vision.
I like your vision.
Who's a famous crackhead we could get to be the face of cracker? A famous but love. Oh, Rob Ford didn't die.
He's
Damn,
dead.
he'd be perfect.
Robert Downey Jr.
Man, doesn't he have AIDS? No, that's
He
the
does.
other one. That's
Philip
Charles
Seymour
Sheen.
Hoffman.
He's dead too. He's
He's
heroin.
dead? Woo, damn, that's right.
Damn. He's for our other app, Heron.
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 Yeah.
Heron.
Oh, shit.
Let's see you do a heroin delivery.
Yeah.
Why will you stumble? We got the bundles. Heron.
Ding, ding.
Sweet lady H.
Niggas come and tie you off and shit.
We're
Like,
gonna be the fresh direct of heroin. All right? Please type in your zip code. Sorry, we do deliver there.
yo, shout out to crack.
Shout out to heroin. Shout out to everyone ruining their lives with drugs.
Yo.
Shout out to everyone twisting off a vein while you're listening to this. Like,
Yo, that's ill because if you grew up in the hood, I feel like a lot of people that grew up in the hood as kids in like the 80s and 90s didn't get involved in the crack because crack was so stigmatized. Like, you already know. We've already said this 100 times. If you do crack once, if you shoot heroin once, it's like, yo, you're a fiend.
That's
forever.
the thing. You can't lie to people.
Yeah.
You can't, because then it becomes mysterious. And
Yes.
then when you hit rock bottom, you're like, I got nothing else to
I
live
got
for.
nothing
Let me
else to
try
shoot
crack.
that. Yeah.
Now, if you're just like, yo, if you try crack once, you might like it. That's the thing. I know functional crackheads.
Yo,
I know people who
mean,
stay up all day in the
listen.
weekend with a hooker. She's feeding him crack rocks and sucking his dick. We've all been there. God's working on all of us. Shout out to all my Bronx motels that are like full on Saturday night at 4 in the morning.
Shout out to Bronx Hotels, dog.
know.
Doing brisk business.
Brisk business. If you ask for a smoking room, there's a reason you asked for a smoking room in 2016.
Yeah.
And we're not talking about cigarettes.
They should have in the non-smoking rooms. They should not have a cigarette. It should be a crack pipe. Like no smoking. Crack pipes.
Instead of a fucking ashtray, they have a notch for your pipe. Please be courteous to other guests. Please ash your crack pipe here.
Yo, oh man,
Listen, that's romantic. Crack pipes and bed bugs.
yo, listen, that's all you need.
That's all you need.
That's all you need in life.
It's like romantic, like the Mary J. Blige and Method Man video.
Yeah, that was my romantic when she was braiding his hair. Oh, he had his hair half
And he
braided.
was running from the DTs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never had a relationship like that. Like
Running from
niggas
DTs.
into each other like that.
I mean, definitely.
I guess that'd be fun to be into each other. Like,
that's fun.
Yeah,
That's
is
pretty
that what
fun.
that's what you and your
Yeah,
fucking your guma have? That's not guma. Your wife.
See, I like your phrases. I like your phrases. Yeah, it's fun. You know what I'm saying? I
Yeah.
wake up every day. I'm like, yo, you're
Is
cool.
she your best friend?
That's lame. If you make your husband or wife your best friend, you're doing it wrong because you have to have somebody that you talk to about your husband or wife.
Right.
Like, damn, yo, that can relate to you. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? So you have a friend that is also in the same situation as you. So when your wife pisses you off, you could tell your friend, like, damn, this bitch got me mad. And then they're like, yeah, son, yo, shorty did this last week. So you have like things to talk about.
Right.
Like if when you're standing in line waiting for phones and like niggas is like, yo, I waited last week.
I've never
waited
waited
He's like,
in line.
excuse me? He's like, nigga, I'm on like 3 TV shows.
Fix your face.
How
Fix
dare
your
you?
fucking face, nigga.
But yeah, if you make your spouse your best friend, that's corny. Because then like you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
Relationship talk from Mero. Sponsored by Red Bull.
But we are very good friends.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, well, shout out to y'all.
Yeah.
'Cause
I talk to myself. I'm my own best friend. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You see me do the crazy ass right now? Like,
That's famous words
Face
before
slash.
face slashing. I was about to say. Face slashing 3,000 armed. Alert. Slashing. Possible slasher. 60% present slashing.
Yeah.
That's our other startup. We have
Slash
for
alert?
Google, it's like an app for Google Glass. And it's gonna tell you
Google
if you
Slash?
Google Slash. All right. It's gonna tell you if you are in the area and if someone around you has a high proximity or a high probability of possibly slashing your face.
yeah.
Okay, so don't wear it in Penn Station. Or
No,
it's
no,
gonna
no.
OD.
Yeah,
But
it's
you're
just
on
gonna
the
start
train,
smoking.
And you're gonna like someone will walk through the train. It's like alert, threat detected.
It's like the rear backup camera
Yeah.
and shit when it's like. Yeah, you go to Penn Station, your shit, smoke is gonna start coming at your Google Slash.
Google Slash.
You know what I'm saying? We get coming up with a lot of startups out here.
We-
Wow.
Yo, the brand is so strong.
So strong, fam.
So strong.
We're
out here.
ready to branch out.
I can't wait till we're doing like full Kanye shit, and I'm like,
God.
niggas like, yo, Desus, why you not doing those shows? And I'm like, cause I'm building a pyramid. I'm building a fiberglass pyramid on wet farms.
So I'm letting y'all niggas know right now. You know what I'm saying? We're involved with a lot of companies and blah, blah, blah. But, you know what I'm saying? To this point, we haven't been allowed full autonomy. So if one of y'all wants to be the Medici family and let us create.
Speak on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Speak on
Holla.
it.
You know what I'm saying?
Speak on it.
You know what I'm saying? We are Nike. We are Google.
Speak
you know what I'm
on it.
saying?
All
We
right?
we are Walt Disney.
Speak on it,
You know what I'm saying?
Teach these devils. Yeah. Yo, Nike, holla at me. Let me get these. Let me make
Yo.
these genuine leather SB 8-ball jacket dunks.
What?
Come on,
Oh,
man.
niggas ain't ready for those.
Niggas want that.
Yo.
Niggas want that. They don't even have to be general release.
What if Under Armour was like, yo, let's do it? I heard the podcast, let's do it. $2 million on the table in a duffel bag.
2 mil?
Yeah.
Shit.
You're pulling that trigger.
Nah. Nope.
What if,
those,
like-
those sneakers are too hot to release under some whack shit.
That's true, yeah, that's true.
Listen, like Dame Dash said on the infamous Kanye's Last Call, the 12-minute song.
you don't want
which,
brick.
You don't want to catch a brick.
You want to catch a brick?
You want to catch a brick.
Don't want brick.
Shout out to Kanye's Last Call because I used to, when like I was just a scumbag and broke, I would walk my dog and just listen to that song
Yeah.
over and over and over. And I was like, one day
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch my
It's
break.
gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
And at the time, I was just like, damn, it's not gonna happen. And now I guess has it happened? No.
Oh, it's happening.
It's happening a little
It's like
bit.
when it's like those things. My kids got these things that you put in water. It's like a little egg,
Right.
and you put it in water, and like it in like 48 hours, some shit like it hatches and like a little toy comes out.
That sounds so whack.
You know what I'm saying? We're out here. It's a stupid thing, but kids really, everything is, you gotta understand, everything is new to
Right.
a kid. You know what I'm saying? So,
Kids are corny.
you know what I'm saying? But they're cool because it's like you're seeing life through them for the first time. And then it brings you back to when you first experienced things and you're like, oh shit, yo,
I
that's,
wanna
that's
experience
dope.
that.
You want to experience? Let's talk about your childhood.
Not sure it was shit. I don't wanna talk about it. You know what? I realized.
This nigga texted a therapy episode. Let's do a therapy episode.
No, we're not doing a therapy episode either. Because you know what I realize now is like I have spilled out way. Because like if you look through DVM, like I was not spilling out about my personal life and
Right.
shit. But on this shit,
Oh yeah, this is
like this is fucking Sally Jesse Raphael. Excuse me. Let me do a
Phil
more
Duncan?
updated reference. Ricky Lake.
Ricky Lake.
This is Jane.
What's Ricky Lake doing right now?
Ricky Lake. I don't know. She's doing hairspray in her bathroom.
Working a
But
slap
no,
shop?
like I'm not trying to have a like because I meet people now and they know everything about my life and I know nothing about theirs.
That's true,
and
yeah.
that's
not cool.
That is not cool at all. That's like I'll say something and be like, oh, your sister that blah 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 or something, and this is like, whoa, I don't know you person, but yeah, you know me. So we're gonna not talk.
That's what happens. That's what happens. You make it ready, nigga.
Listen.
I don't mind because I'm very proud of my family and everything. So
I
I'm
mean,
like,
don't get it. Don't.
I
you
mean,
know,
I'm not saying that you're
proud-
not.
I'm very proud of my family in Mississauga.
You're proud
You know
of
what I'm saying? I love my boo up there.
Yo, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like that's what happens, fam. It's the price of fame.
It is the price
You know
of
what I'm
fame.
saying? Are you gonna be out there on fucking Rodeo Drive like you fucking mosquito? Get away from me, my robot wife, you fucking mosquito.
You know it already.
you parasite.
Paris like, get away from me. Just trying to enjoy some hors d'oeuvres with my daughter. Yes, she's Asian and adopted.
Nigga, Kanye called him a fucking mosquito. When he said that shit, he was like, yeah, that's it. Because he said it like 4 times. He
Yeah.
said, you parasite, you fucking mosquito.
I
Mosquito.
mean, listen, I'd be
Shout out to
like
mosquitoes.
that.
Speaking of mosquitoes, it's getting warm now. Mosquitoes are coming. There's nothing in life that I hate more than mosquitoes, I think.
Yeah.
I'd rather it burns when I pee twice a week than have ever deal with mosquitoes again.
Really? That sounds like not really a first world problem. Like
It doesn't,
You don't have
yeah,
like
it doesn't.
you don't have like meshes on your window. And
I do. But somehow they still get in. They're very crafty, those mosquitoes.
Aren't you tropical? Like your parents are immigrants.
That's what I'm saying.
Mosquitoes bother
That's
you
what
like
I'm saying.
that?
Like, nigga, we escaped that.
God,
we came here
listen.
to escape that. I don't want to get bitten by a mosquito and get a disease that I could possibly die from. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the Zika vaccine.
Shout out to Zika. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean,
I forgot what I told this morning. I was like, yo, when in DR, I used to sleep on the mosquito net.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Same thing in Jamaica, but
You know what I mean? To keep spiders and lizards and all
I mean,
types
you
of shit
still
out
get
of bed.
bit, but it's just like that's the Yankee in you. All right,
I
niggas,
feel like-
niggas live a rough life, and you over here complain about mosquito bites.
But it goes both ways, though, because my cousins come from DR, and like as soon as it goes below 60 degrees, they're like, loco, está frío. Oh, no, pa' mí no, está frío, loco.
Listen,
You know what I'm saying? So,
you got running water, you got paved roads.
True, that's true.
You got non-shutting off in the middle of the day electricity.
I actually
and you're
like-
complaining about
I
mosquito
like
bites.
dirt roads better. Than
You like
paved
dirt roads
I do
better?
like dirt roads better.
Who are you?
I like dirt roads better. I like to walk down a winding dirt road into a green opening that leads you into a little river, and I just like put my little bottle of Brugal on the shore and just dive in the river, you know what I'm saying, and just swim around and shit and enjoy nature, nigga, and then breathe air, and the air tastes like air. You know what I mean?
This is Carnival Cruise Lines.
You feel me?
motherfucker.
Out here, nigga. Join me in Jamaica at Sandals Resort.
This guy.
Yo, shout out to my Dominicans out here, my nigga. I'm out for the summer, man. Fuck this. I'm
Where you
off
going?
this.
You going to the Dominican
Yeah,
Republic?
I'm not doing summer in New York, man. I'm off it.
Word.
I'm gonna stay in June. I'm out for July and August. Fuck
See?
that.
Nah, it's about to be such a hot summer.
So I'm not
Niggas
trying to get
popping.
shot out here. Niggas is popping. I'm not trying to
Nah,
get clapped.
it's not even. No, it's
I'm not
not
coming
even,
back to a RIP Desus t-shirt, nigga, because
Nah.
you thought it was mad cool. I'm gonna go to Eden all day. I'm popping. Nigga,
I
fuck
am
around and
going
get
to eat all
shot.
day, but nah, summer's gonna be. I'm not going to places where people have guns. All right, I'm going to like upscale
Upscale events.
day parties.
Anytime-
where girls bring large bags, so you know they have jobs.
Anytime a person from the hood says upscale party, I just imagine you
All
like
white.
all linen,
All white.
white linen.
All right, I'm going to everyday people's parties. I'm going to like parties where people from Tumblr are famous. Okay. I'm not going to any more hood. If I go to your party and I gotta get patted down or frisked, I'm not going.
I'm not going there.
It's not that anymore. Okay.
We gotta be the strip clubs though. We gotta be the strip clubs this summer.
Yeah. Listen, I want when I go to the strip club, I want them to announce that I'm coming in. I don't want niggas.
You wanna be on the flyer?
I don't want some stripper to be like, DK, ain't you the nigga from God Code? All right. I don't want that.
Papi, I thought I seen you on TV.
I
That's
shot a nigga from Gecko.
yeah.
From Geico.
That's it. The insurance, right? Y'all niggas
Y'all
doing
niggas-
sharing?
Y'all niggas on Charlamagne's show.
That's it.
Y'all niggas on nigga, the name of the show is not Charlamagne's show.
This show is a Chappelle show. Nigga, Charlamagne show.
Charlamagne's show.
Y'all niggas from Charlamagne show, y'all be funny. Y'all be doing some funny shit.
Y'all
I like
niggas from
that
Classic
shit.
or Trash.
That's it. That's
Yo, y'all
cool.
classic or trash.
Yo, it's classic and trash.
It's classic and that's trash over there.
Yo, what's good? Classic and trash. I fuck with y'all. Y'all niggas is funny.
I watch that show every night.
You want to like dance?
every
Papi?
night?
Oh, word.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
okay,
That's cool. Okay.
I
Listen,
liked it. I liked the last episode that y'all did. Oh, word. What was your favorite part?
the one with the girl, the black girl.
Damn.
The
That
black
she
girl.
was playing music and shit. She was like a dickhead DJ. I like her.
Shout out to MTV. Shout out to Charlamagne. Shout out to Crystals, Andrew Schultz,
Yeah.
Tax.
Shout out to the whole game.
Shout out to Cuppy. Shout out to Vasty.
Shout out to Andrew Schultz, which is wild. Shorty
Yeah.
came through and was like, yo, let me not blow this shit up, actually.
Wow. Wow. I'm gonna leave that in. Pause.
Let me stop. Yo, niggas out here just Hollywood, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Look at me over here ready to snitch.
That's what I see. I'm not a snitch. 'Cause
Niggas about to snitch.
I felt the snitch sense tickling. I was like, you know what? I can't do that.
He's about to snitch.
Can't do that.
Go home and his kid spits on him like, you rat.
Fucking rat.
Fucking rat. You ain't my pops. You ain't my fucking pops.
Yo, shout out to my kid for rocking it at T-Ball the other day, by the way.
Oh, the T-Ball Report sponsored to you by
You know what I'm
Jufax.
saying? 2 RBIs, you know what I'm saying? A double and a triple. No, actually, it was just practice.
This is practice.
But he hit the shit out that ball, man.
Yeah.
He hit the shit out of that ball.
You know what? I was out the other night. It was like 2 a.m. I was mad drunk. I was talking to some chick and I was like, yeah, Mero's kid got like T-ball tomorrow.
Uncle Desus and shit.
Yeah.
Niggas like,
I was like, I'm not gonna be there, but you know,
I'm gonna be the spirit, you know what
I
I'm
was
saying?
like, yeah, because they was like, where's Mero? I was like, this kid got T-ball and shit. You know what I'm saying? So that pussy though.
Meanwhile, 2 a.m, I'm in the driveway with my kid, like, hit it!
Kid's like,
hit the
hit
fucking
the
ball!
fucking
Throwing
ball.
90 mile an hour sliders at him and shit.
I'm like drunk driving by your house, mad slow. Like, yo, that's where they live. Look, they practicing right now. Move your panties to the side.
I'ma make you feel alright.
Yo, shout out Chris Brown got a song called "Fuck You Back to Sea Girl."
Yeah.
Yo, Chris Brown gets away with everything. You know what?
Everything.
That's my thing this summer. What would Chris Brown do?
Yeah.
That's my life motivation.
Summertime, you gotta act like that. You have to, bro.
Yo, y'all niggas gonna be so sick when I have a blonde Caesar next month.
I don't care.
Oh, we'll get a tattoo on my face.
Who cares? You know what I'm saying? 233, mad big on your face.
Mad big on
with
my
an ice cream
face.
cone and a gun or some shit.
I'm gonna get Chyna. I'm gonna get rest in peace Chyna. I'm gonna get her face on my other cheek. It's gonna be lit.
A clip, nigga, on your throat.
This is like a turkey neck.
Right on your Adam's apple. Nigga, when you talking, shit just goes up and down.
Oh, man.
Whoa. Shout out to anybody that ever got a tattoo that like moves. It's like a jokey tattoo.
Yeah.
You're a fucking idiot.
I was thinking about getting that for my dick. I want to get an elephant trunk.
Oh, okay.
Like, you know,
like an elephant face
when
around
it's
on your
flaccid,
pelvis. Yeah.
When it's flaccid, it's like an elephant thing, and when it's up, it's like you see like the tusks and shit.
Oh.
That's cool.
That would mean that you would have to put a tattoo needle on your balls, fam.
Listen,
and
if you get enough money, you have time and free time to do shit like that, and enough drugs.
that's what I was gonna say. You need some high powered drugs to be like, yo, tattoo my balls, because that's wild, dog. I accidentally hit my nuts this morning on the railing of the staircase, and I thought I was gonna die.
Well, I
almost threw
figure
up.
as you get older, not older, but as you get richer, you get into shit like that, like paying chicks to punch you in the nuts and
Bro,
shit.
what is up with that? I seen so many like Craigslist weird shit of motherfuckers being like, I'll come to my house, I'll pay you to step on my balls.
Listen, you can't. People are into what people are into. You
That
can't
just feels
control
like
what
the
you're
most-
into, and that's what some people are into.
That just seems so wild to me because it's very pain to me is not cool. Like pain to me is terrible. I
Yeah.
smoke weed constantly because of pain.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I don't want to. Like I'm gonna pay you money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you 50 Harriet Tubmans to step on my dick, fam.
But you
I don't
know
want
what
to
it
do that.
is? For some of us, pain is the only real thing.
Pain is love.
Pain is all we have. As we circle the earth, getting closer and closer to our day of destiny and dying. Some of you guys are listening to this podcast not even realizing today is the day you die.
Damn.
Dark.
Fucking Tom Sizemore over here.
Welcome to the world, Dark Goth Jesus.
Yo, I actually was driving on a bus this morning and I seen a dude do graffiti. Like he did this graffiti thing, and on graffiti writers have punchlines. It's like a little shit that you write next to your graffiti. Nigga said, "Smile, you're dying." I was like, wow. I was like, I'm too high for this, fam.
True.
You can't write graffiti like that and scare me in the morning.
People don't like to be reminded that like
Death is imminent.
life is very short.
That's what I tell people. You can walk out your house right now, get hit by a bus, nigga. So you got to do everything. Shoot your shot, talk to every girl you want to talk to, fuck people, do drugs, do everything, steal shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it.
Quit your job and start a podcast. What's the worst that can happen? Work for us.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's some of y'all sitting right now, y'all bullshitting on something. You're like, maybe tomorrow. What if tomorrow never comes?
What's tomorrow never comes? You just sitting there on your couch.
You just come out.
You
if
could
I
just
could do it.
If
y'all
I could do it, y'all could do it. You know what I'm saying?
You could watch
Get
your
up.
kids and you get up and get that degree.
Go get it. Go right now. BodegaBoysCollege.com, y'all.
That's right, that's
Fully
right.
accredited institution. You can get your degree in barberology or cosmetology or phlebotomy.
Not a fully accredited school. Most students leave with massive student loan debt. We do not help you get a job.
Shout out to Catherine Gibbs. I know so many niggas got scammed by like Catherine Gibbs and all them shits.
You know, I
All them fake
almost
schools.
left my college to go to DeVry.
Were you serious about
backwards
success?
shit?
You were serious about success?
And my mother was like, "You're doing what?" I was like, "Nah, I need my degree now, ma.
I need my shit in 6 weeks.
I need my shit in 6 weeks.
I need my shit expedited.
Can't be waiting 4 years for this shit." Going to
Yo,
DeVry.
I can't believe this shit.
I was like, "Yo, where's DeVry located?" It was like fucking Queens or something. I was like, "You don't got no other campuses?" They was
Nah.
like, "That's it, nigga."
Come on. There's no such thing as shortcuts, my nigga. Don't
was
try
like-
to get a degree in 6 months.
I was like, "Can I transfer over college credits?" They was like, "Why?
What?
They
Why
was
would you
like,
do that?
Going ass backwards, my G."
What? That's like bringing a Whopper to McDonald's. Nigga, what are you doing?
But nah, I stayed in college and I did my English degree.
I respect
taught
that.
myself a couple of like computer languages,
respect
PHP,
that.
MySQL,
Okay.
DNS, Bind,
All right.
SendMail. You know what I'm saying? Out here,
All right,
genius
respect
level shit.
Okay.
And now here we are. I'm wasting my talents away.
I
Making
know a lot of people.
podcasts.
Yeah, I know a lot of people.
I'm quitting this shit right now. I'm going back. I'm getting a regular office job.
That's a very.
Not even in jest.
That is a backflip.
Not doing that.
That's not even a step back, nigga. That's a backflip. That's a
Nigga,
king back.
Imagine being in
backflip.
an office right now and let somebody boss up and try to tell me to do something.
Oh, God.
Like somebody was
That's
like,
what I'm saying. Niggas can't go back to regular jobs.
be like, yo-
I can't have a boss now,
I'll be like, yo, Jesus, didn't I tell you to get this report? I'll be like,
bro.
nigga, I know D-Ray Davis.
Bro.
Suck my dick.
Bro.
Is that even a flex? No.
I mean,
D-Ray, yeah. I know Charlemagne.
that nigga. I'll be like, yeah. I know. Yeah.
I know Jaden Smith. Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck are you talking to?
Y'all
stole my papers in the
stupid
air.
nigga. I'll text
Stupid
Wale
nigga.
right now and tell him you disrespected me
here.
by asking me to do a
Nigga,
work.
I smoked an L with Action Bronson. You expect me to fill out a time sheet? Nigga, I know Vashti. I don't gotta deal with this bullshit.
I was in Beverly Hills with Rashida Jones, nigga, drinking mimosas.
This nigga.
Are you stupid?
I'm just standing in the conference room like, yo. Nigga, I sat on Kim Kardashian and this motherfucker want me to do a PowerPoint presentation? You out your fucking mind? They're like, here go Desus again. I'm like, matter of fact, we're not doing PowerPoint. We're going to listen to Bodega Boys
That's
episode 20 as the lights dim. I have some shit blasting over the speakers. They're like, sir, this was 16 years ago.
Sir. You know what I am proficient in? Suck my dick.
Suck my dick, nigga.
That's right.
Proficient in making fire art at 220 West 18th Street. They're like, sir, there's no soundboard.
Sir,
you're in the HR
sir,
office.
sir.
You really need employment.
Sir.
You apparently are 3 months behind your rent.
And also, we've received a letter from Congressman Charlemagne the God asking you to stop name dropping him.
Yes, he says he's no longer wants to be affiliated with that, as he is trying to pass Act 1784, which outlaws black women.
Yeah. I like how niggas started this rumor that Charlemagne hates black women, and now it's like a thing.
Straight facts, B. Matter of fact, if you're listening to this, go on Wikipedia, edit Charlemagne's page.
It says Charlemagne
Say Charlemagne hates black women.
let her rally against black women.
This is our new movement. Charlemagne's not hating on the sisters. Charlemagne's gonna go to Afro Punk and just stand in the background and shake his head.
Shake his head like, no.
I don't like this shit.
Mad disapproving.
I don't like this shit.
No, not at all.
Why is her hair permed?
Nuh-uh. Natural journey ain't for everybody.
Ain't for everybody. That's a journey via Southwest. Dab on them.
Shout out to Southwest Airlines. Yo,
No, don't shout. They're a terrible airline.
They're a terrible airline.
Terrible airline that goes to terrible places.
But I didn't even know there's mad terrible airlines.
There are.
Because I was looking for tickets to fly to DR for the next summer.
Right.
Or February or whatever. And I was like, oh shit, they got round trip tickets for like $200. And I look and it's like fucking Digital Dynasty Airline, like Amalgam Digital Airline.
What
I'm like,
people
what the fuck
don't
is
realize
this?
is basically all airlines are gypsy cabs. Like some nigga bought a plane and was like, yo, I'm going over here. You want to go there? How much you willing to pay? That's literally all it is. American Airlines got mad cars. So they could be like,
They
yo,
got a big fleet.
They got a big fleet. So they can switch shit up and be like, yo, we'll drop the price here. Then you got like Ryanair, which is like, they charge you to use the bathroom when you fly in Europe.
What?
But their flights are mad cheap. Because you're just trying to get from like France to England and shit.
Bro, you got to pay to use the bathroom?
Well, think about like if all the additional shit on the plane, no pun intended,
right?
That you pay, like you got to pay extra for shit,
right.
So, but like if the base flight, imagine like I was like, yo, it's $40 off the rip to get on the plane.
Okay.
Do you want your seat to go back? That's an additional $10.
Oh my god.
Do you want like a soda? That's this. Do you want like I don't know.
That's crazy.
Do you want insurance to make sure the plane don't crash?
What?
Just like $40.
$40 for Wi-Fi is absurd, by the way.
Would you
know what I'm saying?
Would you pay a flat rate for a airline if the airline was like, yo, we don't have no kind of security? Like we're just like, fuck it. We're not even gonna lie to you about no TSA shit. Like we're just flying.
I mean, I took a Greyhound bus to Orlando once,
Yeah.
so I'm with the shits. You know what I'm saying?
You know what
Like,
they
if
need?
it's just me,
Right.
If it's me and my wife and my kids and shit, then chill. We gotta fly Delta, Wi-Fi,
Two
reclining
things they
seats.
need. They need an airline just for families because people without kids don't really understand what it's like. to
Right,
fly
exactly.
with
Yeah,
kids.
it's terrible.
You need that. And we also need a Christian airline.
Okay.
All Christian. Because
Sell
that's
me
what
on
America wants. Because America
Sell me on this new startup. This 15th
new-
startup of this episode.
This is Desus H. Fuego. This is Desus Must. All right? Okay?
Yeah.
No, listen. If we have an all Christian airline,
Okay.
racist people in America, because
Okay.
they're tired of being on planes with Muslims and brown looking people.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So basically, the whole airline is basically, if you look like Heems, you can't come on.
You can't go on a plane.
That's our Christian. That's our Christian airline. We pray before we take off.
Right.
We pray to our white Christian Anglo-Saxon God.
We pray to white Jesus.
Okay?
Poison. Poison.
We only show Passion of the Christ as the in-flight movie.
Yeah.
The seatbelts look like the fucking Thorn of Christ crown.
Kim Davis is a stewardess.
Yes.
She's the head stewardess.
All right. If you look under your seat, there's no life jacket because if there's an emergency, you can use your faith
You know what I'm
to
saying?
save you.
Faith will float you.
God will pick up this plane and guide us to safety.
All right.
You know what's crazy? I sound crazy with that. It's crazy is an ableist term.
Okay.
Never forget.
Yeah.
But that could work because
could
that is like if Trump was like, yo, I'm bringing back Trump Airlines and that's how we're gonna do it. No Muslims, no Mexicans.
Damn.
We're keeping ISIS off the planes. People will buy tickets left and right.
That's true. That's a moneymaker.
That's the money. Listen, Donald Trump's gonna be president.
I feel like the
what we
one
need to
market
do,
is-
everyone needs to do, is figure out how you can make money to survive when Donald Trump is president.
That's true.
And my whole thing is going to be pandering to the fears of white America. So I'm going to be on like Fox News, and I'm going to be like, listen, I will tell you about these super predators and why they enjoy Little Yachty.
That's true. I feel like the one market that has not been capitalized on is racism. B.
Yeah,
like
racism-
nobody's
there's
really.
money.
There's so much money in racism. Oh
I mean,
man,
NYPD does a good job with it, but
Yeah,
they're not like fish.
they're not really monetizing
They're
it
not
efficiently.
monetizing
You know what I'm saying?
They need an app.
Yeah, they
We need a
definitely.
racist app.
There you go, Racer.
You know what we need?
RACER.
Yes.
Oh,
You
no
can-
E. RACR.
You can use your Fitbit to track how racist you've been all day.
Nice.
You know?
How many slurs you used? You've
many
used
slurs?
28 slurs today.
You know what I'm saying? Like if you cringe when some black person comes too close to you on the subway. Oh,
You
hey,
crossed the street to avoid a black man twice today.
Daily, go reach. Hey, you're not getting in the elevator with your black coworker? All right, success.
Like fucking Xbox achievement unlocked.
Achievement unlocked. You have hit a Black Lives Matter tweet with an All Lives Matter. Here's your trophy for the day.
Yo.
No, there's money in racism, man.
Oh, so much money in racism.
You know how I'm gonna make some money in racism? Selling racist teeth,
Oh shit, racist veneers.
racist veneers, to let everyone know when you smile that you're voting for
Racist
Trump.
veneers. Yeah.
You don't even have to vote for Trump. You just show your teeth, like
Make America great again.
Make America great again.
Look at my teeth.
Because like when you're racist like that, your teeth look like the wall Trump is trying to build to
They
keep
do.
Mexicans out.
They're very solid
I love it.
and white on one side, and then the other
Brown
side.
on other.
The other side is Matt Brown trying to get onto the other side. Hello from the other side. I'm gonna start singing. I'm gonna need a vocal coach.
You should just
get
do
on some
like
R&B
bachata
shit.
or some shit.
I should.
You're Spanish.
They got techno. They
You're
got all type of
husky.
technologies
You're-
and shit.
You're lovable.
Yeah.
Women, I met a girl at an event the other day, and she was like, "I love Mero. I love Mero," and I was like, "All right, cool." I was like, "He's all right." I went on Twitter, and I was like, "All right, let me see."
Yo,
She does not follow me.
Oh,
She only follows Mero.
well.
Well.
Okay.
Well.
I mean, I get that a lot.
Well.
I get that a lot. A lot of people. Mero's too problematic.
Yeah, I hope you choke on your birth control. How dare you not follow DJ
Yeah.
Fuego?
Yo, shorty.
I don't understand that. How do you like just Mero and not me? Like it's like peanut
That's
butter and jelly.
yeah,
You
it
can't
doesn't make
just get. I'm just imagining her listening to this podcast like she got her arms folded whenever I'm talking.
It's like Russell Wilson, nigga, when he's listening to like a Drake and Future album. He's like, yo, I'm taking all the Future shit out.
Fuck this.
Listen.
You know what? We're gonna do a special episode of Bodega Boys, and 1 week is just gonna be Mero, and 1 week is just gonna be me.
Okay. I feel like episode was it the 14? Was that? Just giving it all.
Where you were just shooting, where you was high as shit.
You know what's crazy? I was just complaining today on Twitter because weed.
You were complaining on Twitter.
Yeah, unbelievable. I don't get that high anymore, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't get. Cause I seen people being like, "Yo," cause yesterday was 420. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my smokers. You know what I'm saying out here, and
Listen,
everybody
you can't
saying,
you can't celebrate 420 if you've never crawled on your bathroom floor to go behind the bathroom sink to smoke the
Yeah.
dustiest
Yup.
of a marijuana roach.
Yep.
Because you were jonesing.
Yep.
You are not allowed to smoke 420. If you
yeah.
have a 420 hat or a novelty T-shirt
No.
or maybe beads that look like a weed
No, no,
leaf,
no, no.
and you're like, "Yo, marijuana."
Yeah.
That's not
Nah,
what
that's not
420
what
is
it's
about.
about. Nah.
420 is about calling your dealer 10 times in a row,
Yep.
and the phone's just ringing.
Yep.
And he might be sleeping, but you know what? You need the shits.
Yeah, you need it, and then
You
just
need
like,
the shits.
You're like,
And
yo,
you don't
fuck
care
it.
that it's 4 o'clock in the morning. You never called him at 4 o'clock in the morning, but you need it right now.
Yeah, you got yeah,
You and you know, you maybe go on Twitter. You're like, "Yo, anyone got? Anyone
Anyone
got?
got
Anyone read Catcher in the Rye? Is anyone holding Caulfield?"
Yo, as a real shit, I feel like you could search my Twitter, and there's been times when I'm like, "Yo, meet me in front of Tosca with weed," or "Meet me on Tremont with weed," just putting this shit into the ether. But yeah,
Drugs aren't fun.
I mean,
420 is like this whole, "Hey, dog, we're smoking. It's cool." Like,
Yeah.
no, like people use drugs to forget their problems. It's
That's
not
true.
recreation.
That's true.
It's recreation of what happiness would be.
Yo, because you recreated.
Try to recreate the lost happiness. Have you seen my childhood? Yeah,
I was gonna hold that note for mad long, but then I was like, "Nah, let me stop."
don't do that. You don't got. You got smoker's lungs. You can't be singing like that.
I'll start wheezing. Forget it. It'll be crazy. Shout out to Loopy, randomly.
Just random.
Man.
Shout out to him.
Shout out to Loopy. He dyed his hair blonde.
Shout out to Lil Loopy. The Pinot star.
Oh shit!
He looked at me like, "Who?" And he was like, "Yo,
Oh, I was like, I got the Pinot on deck.
Pinot on deck. Pinot on deck."
But yeah, and all the people that are talking about, "Yo, I ate an edible and I lost my mind," that's never happened to me.
How does that happen?
It's never happened to me.
I'm still eating the edibles that we got back from LA, and they're mad. They're not weak, but it's just like
I get high, you get high. That's it.
I get high. I get high.
I get high.
I get high. You know, you can get to a point where it's just like
This is as high as I'm gonna get.
as high as Wu Tang gets. Yeah.
King.
That's dangerous because then it becomes like
You chasing the dragon?
Chasing the dragon. Are you trying to get? Are you on yet? I need a new drug.
I need a new drug.
Which was the same song as Ghostbusters, by the way. Just to point that out.
Yeah.
But
so that's a little American scam for you right there.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. But you know, you don't want to like go too high and then be like, yo, let me start fucking with this heroin.
No. You don't want to fly too close to the sun.
Right.
You don't.
Are we gonna do what is it? DMT?
We gotta do DMT in the padded room.
We're gonna do DMT.
First it was K2, but then it's like K2 niggas we might kill ourselves.
I don't want to say it anymore. I feel like K2 might have peaked.
Yeah.
K2 is not as popping as it. We're on episode 20.
Right.
K2 is not as popping as it was episode 1. It's not fun.
Yeah, it's not fun.
It's been, it's mainstream now.
Yeah, there's too many NFL dudes losing their mind on this
people are doing like K2 at Coachella.
Yeah.
With like the flower crowns.
Yeah,
and shit.
yeah. There's a K2 Snapchat filter. It's like it jumped the shark.
K2.
Speaking of Snapchat filters, how you feel about the Bob Marley filter as a Jamaican man?
Well, first of all, big up Jamaica. First Lord, then Duddis. But y'all, the Marley family will slap their name on anything. They don't give a fuck. Secondly, y'all gonna stop fucking with that Snapchat filter. Because look what happened to Lauryn Hill. She fucked with the Marley Snapchat filter. Her life got ruined. Everyone in Jamaica knows nothing will ruin your life faster than Marley dick. All right? So don't fuck around with the fuck arounds.
Yo, I just imagine all the fucking corny. I mean, like, that's really how it offended me because it was wild corny. Because I feel like Ross Trent and all them motherfuckers,
right?
They adopted Bob Marley as like their guy, and like Bob Marley's like some white people shit.
It's the pussification of the black male.
Okay,
here's a hot take.
Okay,
it's like Martin Luther King. They made him just like some random quotes, and we should all live together, and it wasn't that. And it's like Bob Marley. Bob Marley is now just this pothead.
Yeah,
and
wasn't Bob Marley like, yo, burn down Babylon, like kill all the people, white people?
Bob Marley has pictures with like the founder of the shower posse. Like, you know what I'm saying? He was really out here for real, dog. Out in these streets,
Hey, Bob Marley was a shooter, dog.
All right, he was out here in Trench Town.
You know what I'm saying, dog? He was in Trench Town, dog, West Coasting.
But now it's just like, yo, when you go to college, they give you a Bob Marley poster and a lava lamp.
Here's free freshman dorm.
And, some patchouli.
A hookah?
And you have it in your fucking,
You go to college in DR? You go to college on Dykeman?
Nah, man. Yo, they just opened a bodega by my house. It does not sell beer, but it sells hookahs. Like, what's the science on that?
Okay.
It's becoming harder and harder to buy beer in the Bronx.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they did that shit where now it's like someday they could sell beer all day.
But a lot of stores lose their liquor license. And they're just like, it's not worth it. I'm not going to. Because NYPD has auxiliary cops, which means you're just like a little snitch-ass nigga who looks underage. And you go in and buy a beer. And then Poppy has to get like a $3,000 ticket. And he's like, well, fuck this. I'm not doing that.
Auxiliary cops.
Auxiliary cops and guardian angels. What are you doing?
Get out of here.
Those are like people who like call your girl like, yo, I saw Desus in the club and he wasn't with you.
Grow up.
I see Desus. I saw Desus on Instagram. He sure is liking a lot of girls' Instagram photos. You should look into that.
I thought you were in Desus right thing. I guess not.
Hey, how come Desus not? I didn't say that. Yeah. I saw Desus down in Silver Spring.
Oh, he was there.
Also, I would like to correct myself. Apparently, I've been pronouncing it Silver Springs. It's just Silver Spring.
Silver Spring?
Maryland.
Okay.
Shout
out to DMV.
The DMV. What's up, Mo? Chill, Mo.
Kill Mo.
I just bought a new pair of phone posits. So shout out to all my Washington DC dudes.
We got to throw some go-go on in the background of this show right now.
Can't wait. I'm down there. Yeah, wait till you see me at them DC day parties.
Yo, I'm
with my pocket square.
Yo, I'm gonna be at Bourbon Ball with Wale, and then we're gonna hit Stadium after.
Yeah. Those are Mero Street fucking DC references.
Those are my DC references.
Shout out to that fake ass. There's like a chocolate lollipop store in fucking Union Station. When you first get to
a chocolate lollipop store?
I don't know. I passed by there one Friday and it was like full of like beautiful black women.
It's Chocolate City
enjoying themselves and they were playing music, but I couldn't figure out if it was like a curves or what.
Okay.
What the hell it was. So shout out to that. Whatever the hell that is.
Whatever y'all.
Somebody hop in my mentions and tell me what that is and when it's popping and I'll come and visit.
Yo, you know what I didn't know about DMV? DMV stands for DC, Maryland, and Virginia, right?
Yes.
So like all of Virginia is included in that?
The part that like touches them.
That touches them?
They don't mean like fucking. I don't think they mean like fucking like
yeah.
Newport News.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's out there.
Let us know. You know what I'm saying? Because like we say a lot of Bronx centric things. You know what I'm saying? And
shout out to
tell you
Steph
to Google
Moore.
it and shit. Yeah. Shout out to Steph
Moore, who's actually from
Baltimore.
No, from Baltimore. Isn't she from? No, she's from Virginia.
Yeah.
No, she's from Baltimore because her name's Steph B. Moore.
Right.
Lady Page, she's from Virginia. And
okay.
other people like that.
Shout out to y'all.
Allen Iverson.
Chris
Brown.
Very important Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
My man
Michael
Tash.
Vick.
You know what I'm saying?
You know.
Pharrell.
Shout out to Pharrell. Yes, that's right.
Virginia, yeah.
Virginia.
Timberland. Genuine. Everybody they used to listen to in like 1998 was from Virginia.
Skills.
Mad Skills.
Mad Skills.
Do you remember anything from your English degree?
No. I hated. I only had to take it because I was learning computer programming languages faster than they were teaching them at my school. Like, they were still teaching Pascal.
Well.
And I was like, what the fuck is that? Like, I was trying to learn PHP. So I had to take English, but I was always good at writing and shit like that. So, but being having an English degree, like, usually that's just, people use that to be a dickhead and correct grammar on Twitter. And it's just like, there's more to that. There's more nuance. You get to read racist books, like, you know, Conrad, Heart of Darkness and shit like that. So what I would do when I was in school, like anytime I didn't want to do an assignment and there was like an N-word in a book I read, like I would make the white teacher mad uncomfortable. And I'd be like, why is this considered a classic, professor? Because the N-word is in this. And then it'd be like, man, like white people, I was the only black person in the class. And they would be like, just get him out of here. Yeah. Like we had to read like Robinson Crusoe and like talk about some fucking, like the detail. Like I was like, let's talk about the fucking savagery, how he had a man and he erasured him. And he's named him Wednesday or Friday or some shit like that. And he was a man. Why didn't he have a name? Why did he become a possession of this white overlord on this island? And you look up and everyone's like,
okay, so let's give him Animal Farm.
Jesus was very friendly in my women's lit class. And the teacher's just like, profound. I never thought of it in that way. Wow. Automatic A. Like he just didn't want these problems.
I didn't hate English, but I hated writing a lot. So I just did a lot of, and it's funny because you say like they were teaching, because I went to Hunter, and they were teaching. I was doing graphic design, and they were, like you said, software was outpacing the classes. Because I think I was using Dreamweaver and fucking.
That's Dreamweaver. That was the original HTML. If you wanted to fuck up your website, you use Dreamweaver for that shit, man.
I was fucking doing Acid to do audio shit.
Acid. Listen, those are classic shit.
Those are classic progs. Classic what do you call
y'all not about, listen, how many of y'all ever made a fucking HTML website using Microsoft front page?
Oh my god.
And she's using mad invalid HTML and you can't validate the XHTML.
Oh god.
Huh? How many of y'all are using CSS pages, cascading style scripts? Huh? What y'all doing about that? Are y'all separating your content from the formatting?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh? Are y'all up to your W3C standards?
See,
y'all not about that life.
You're way more advanced.
I'm out here.
Me on this shit.
And I never want to go back to that shit. So.
I was just mad hype, like, I could put mad scrolling windows on this page.
People like you ruin MySpace.
MySpace, fucking Black Planet, Mi Gente, all that shit.
All that shit. You had the little gangster, the chulos and the angels with the fucking zodiac signs and shit.
Bro, my shit was not built for dial-up. I'll tell you that much. It's mad gifs, glittering shit.
Fucking try to visit your page. It's just a fucking Romeo Santos song just playing on a loop.
Yo, I had my shit so that when you went to the shit, it started like, because that was the thing. Like you could have background music, like it became a thing. But fam, if you're on dial-up, like that shit hurts. Nigga, to sit there and wait for that shit to load. And I'm like, yo, I don't even like you that much, man. I came here to look at your pictures, and I gotta wait 20 minutes for fucking.
You could download a movie in seconds now.
That's crazy, right? Remember
That's
back in the
crazy.
day? Remember how long it took to download 5 minutes of Pinot back in the day?
Remember when people had to download text files?
Oh god.
You ever had to masturbate to words?
Erotica?
You ever had to masturbate to a fucking? It's like a black screen with white letters.
A story?
You're trying to scroll with one hand and beat your meats with the other.
Bro, you're jerking off to a book.
Then, like, it's God forbid the file get corrupted. Now it's just gibberish and ASCII code. You don't know. Listen, shout out to all the pioneers out there, all the digital Harriet Tubmans who paved the way for Pinot for us.
True. Shout out the Sublime Directory. That's a throwback.
Jesus. Right. Yeah. You guys don't know about UU encoding and downloading multiple parts of porn from an alt.news group on Usenet. All right.
Damn.
These are the things that people had to do to masturbate. And now you could just go on Xhamster or Xtube or just the iCloud, and it's just every type of nasty fucking porn you want.
Mad easy to get.
Mad easy.
720p.
You want to see a girl shitting out eels? You want that shit in HD or you want it in standard?
You got it.
You want her to have freckles?
Which one you want? Part 1 or part 5?
You want her to have fat cankles?
Get it.
You want her to be a liberal arts major?
Search
Whatever.
it.
We got
That's
it all. And where can you find all this? On our new app called Sicker. Where we help you find the sickest porn out there in the privacy of your own home.
You know what I'm saying?
And after you find the sick porn, we tweet it out on all your social media platforms. The kid Mero has just enjoyed Kimono Girl with dragon in her pussy. Click here for likes.
Yo, I seen a Pinot that was like
a lady, like a dude dressed as an alien, fucking a lady.
I saw that one because it's in one of the banner ads on the site. I don't want to talk
crazy.
about, but yes, I used to do I used to make banner ads, and that's what you want. You want some shit where people are gonna click it.
Well, like, what the fuck is this?
Do you remember back in the day they had a banner ad, and all it was like a tiger running, but it was flipped upside down, and the banner ad looked mad cheesy, and people were very upset about it. But that shit had like one of the highest click-through rates.
Yeah, because they're like, what is this shit?
Because like, this shit is whack.
Yeah.
What is this garbage? What is this? What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck is this shit?
What the fuck is this shit will make you money on the internet?
That's all you gotta do. That and
All day.
racism.
That's it.
That's all you need.
Racism and confusion.
And a fire app.
That's it.
And we have fire apps.
The racism and confusion map coming
Shout out
soon.
to KFC Barstool. We also have a City Island app coming. It tells you if the weather's nice.
Yeah.
And how bad the traffic's gonna be coming on there. How many motorcycles
How
are gonna
many
block it
motorcycle
up?
fumes? You're gonna
How many Puerto Ricans are gonna have a knife fight in front of the fucking lobster box? City. It's just CI.
CI. Yo, shout out to City Island.
But you gotta log in using your Optimum Bronx 12 fucking cable login. Only for Bronx residents. If you don't live on the island, you can't get this kind of content.
Yo, shout out to my wife for being so responsible that she actually knows the Optimum login.
What? I don't know what
even
that is.
know.
I don't
And it's
even
so
know.
easy to find. You literally, Optimum is like, my nigga, go to channel 80 something and we'll tell you what it is. And you're just still like, nah.
Nope. Hello, customer service. I can't find my login. Y'all like, is there an email or some shit? Like, I find it ridiculous. Like, how am I supposed to find this login?
They're like, yo, unplug your cable box for 30 seconds.
Yo.
I'll stay on the line. Shout out to cable for that's being the number one thing they do every time. Unplug your cable box and wait for 30 seconds. I'll be right here when you come back.
Shout out to cable, man. Shout out to cable. What's crazy about cable is we have to pay money for cable, and the service is really bad. The shows are Uncommon Sense is a good show.
It's a great show.
Great show.
Great.
The shows are pretty terrible, and like the next generation is not paying for that shit.
Oh, nah.
They're not paying for that.
No way.
So-
they got to do something. Cable, the only way that cable could survive is by making extremely fire content that is exclusive to cable. And even then, because niggas gonna bootleg the shit, download it, whatever. But like, you're still gonna catch those people that are not super tech savvy. You know what I mean? Because, fam,
The only way cable's gonna survive if they make voting and owning cable mandatory. And you go to jail if you don't have cable. You imagine kick down your door like, yo, turn MTV2. Turn MTV2. This channel not available. Cuff him.
no, cuff him. Oh, damn.
Law and Order Viacom edition. It's like, he's downloading a torrent of Joking Off.
We're triangulating signal right now.
Oh my God.
Call Taru.
He's right there on 23rd Street. We're just chasing niggas over the rooftop for downloading fucking my T-Mom.
Nigga, that was season 2 of fucking Geico.
Just beat the shit out of someone like, oh, you think you didn't have implied explicit content to reproduce Martin?
What?
Tool him up, Joey.
Oh, my God.
Tool him up, Joey Superiorly.
Oh, God.
This guy
fucking
over
guy.
here.
Look at this guy.
This fucking guy.
This guy thinks he's. You think you're gonna fucking live in New York City and not have cable, guy?
Look at all these
what
fucking hard drives.
What makes you special, huh?
Look at all these fucking hard drives. This guy has a massive bootlegging
Whoa,
operation.
whoa.
He's making illegal episodes of ridiculousness.
Oh, can you?
Oh my God!
Nah, don't.
When
What was your
fucking
favorite?
Rob Diedrich hears about this,
Oh my God!
I love
yeah,
that show.
I
Ooh,
can't-
West Coast Chanel.
Oh, I love it.
It's
The whole left.
It's like a fucking sexy seal.
Oh, I
I
get
put
it.
in her blowhole.
Let me tell you.
Oh my God.
Gabagool.
Gabagool. Listen, to her. I like her. She has like, you know what I'm saying? She has the colorful hair like a black girl, but she's white. You know, it's like all the black girl with all the black girl sass.
I mean,
like
it's-
125th Street.
It's almost a perfect show. You know, you got the little Munyan there.
He's a
you
little
know,
black guy. What's his name? DJ D Ray or
Yeah,
some
whatever.
shit? I don't know.
DJ D Rex Brim, whatever the fuck his name
They're
is.
watching YouTube videos, but I mean, like, where am I supposed to see YouTube videos?
YouTube.
Nah, whoa. Who am I, Stephen Hawking here? You
Whoa.
You see me using a fancy wheelchair?
Whoa, look at fucking Steve Jobs over here
Okay.
with the
Oh,
computer skills.
computer
What
over
are you,
here. What am I
fucking
supposed to do?
PC champ over here, guy?
Come on. Oh, look at Mavis Beacon teaches typing
Oh,
over
whoa,
here.
dude, you're getting a Dell, eh?
Hey,
Eh?
oh, wow,
Eh?
wow.
You know what Dell I'm getting?
Wow.
I'm getting the fucking Joe's Deli. That's what I'm
Yeah,
getting.
I got a website for you, http:// my cock.
Yeah, shout out to all my.
Shout out to everyone that's like 40 that got all those references. Like, yo, this is for me. All the millennials are like, I like these old guys.
I like they said a Snapchat joke.
They said, are they gonna do another boxy joke?
Shout out to the boxing shit. I didn't know that boxing was that popular, dog.
It's funny what references resonate and which ones don't.
Bro.
Because like you'll do a throwaway and it's just like, nah, it's nothing. And then
Yeah.
that shit becomes something.
Yeah.
And the shit that we don't really work on anything.
Yeah,
But
that's true. So we work on.
The only thing we work on is Mero's family. That's it. And ourselves, because we don't have to work on ourselves because God is
already
working on
doing it.
ourselves.
He's doing it
God's
for us.
working on all
That's
of
right.
us. Every day.
Every day. Every time you wake up.
This girl was telling me yesterday.
What is on your fucking... I'm just looking at your computer. Every time I glance over, this nigga got like a midget with a... Is that...
That's D-Ray.
Oh, it's D-Ray.
Filter
Oh,
shit.
the Snapchat filter? I was like, who is this little person?
Listen, I'm on Instagram. I'm just looking for...
Who's that?
That's Yes Jules.
Oh, okay.
This is our new show. It's called Desus and Mero.
Look, see, look, nigga looks like Odell Beckham.
It's just me and Mero scroll through Instagram.
Scroll through Instagram? Who is that?
Yeah, I would love to know who these people are. That Mero was just like...
Bruh. Oh, okay. Hey.
All right. See, that's what happens. See, you're just having a good time. You're looking at Instagram, and then you see one photo that fucks up your whole day, and now you're in your feelings. And now, here we are, episode 20. It's the Bodega Boys. That's hilarious, right?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. We'll just see it in real time.
Yeah.
My name is Desus H. Fuego, HK Desus Be Tight.
That's right.
Desus. I got the vein on my neck right now.
Sometimes you gotta let go. Oh my God.
That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. You gotta be a big person. You can't let other people
You know what
get
I'm
you in
saying?
your
That's it,
feelings.
man.
And have you.
I had listen. A very wise young Jamaican fellow once told me, like, don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't react. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Don't
to shit,
react.
you know what I'm saying? Because I
Don't
see a
react.
lot of shit on Twitter, my nigga, where I really, and I'm just like, yo, you know
react.
what?
Don't react.
Fuck this shit.
You're
you know what
bigger
I'm
than
saying?
your feelings.
That's right.
Because if you allow your feelings to control you,
Yeah.
you are no longer in charge.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? Always have control of your feelings.
That's true.
Now, see, I am bringing it down. I'm no
Yeah.
longer upset. I'm going to sip this beer.
Yeah, you good.
I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm
you got
good
like
money.
you got like 8 ounces.
I'm
up there,
popping.
but-
All right, listen. I'm
cares?
good.
Who cares?
I'm good. Who cares?
Yeah. Yo, you know what's crazy? Niggas interviewed Tiger. He said that shit, and it's like,
He said,
you know
at the
what?
end of the day, he's still Tiger.
He's still Tiger.
I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I'll see DJ Fuego,
know
baby.
what I'm saying?
You say I'm still slow but down might know you, bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm still Booch's gully. You know what I'm saying? I'm still Chris Stapps for slim dick. Okay? All
Niggas
right.
out here. But yeah, now,
Fuck that.
I don't.
Thank you for walking me through that. You got me off the ledge there.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
why the
Gotcha.
brand is
You know
strong.
what
You
I'm
know what
saying?
I'm
You know what I'm
saying?
saying?
We're out here. If you ever want to kill
Synergy.
your family and we go to Mexico,
I
you let me know.
I'm never. Because that's what it is. Listen, you want to live. You ever see those dudes? Remember the fucking pictures that you were like, yo, this is Mero in 30 years of Adrian Bailon with the fat gospel singer?
Yes.
On the beach, and they
Yes.
just look mad. And then niggas wearing a fedora, smiling with all his teeth.
Right.
I want to be that guy
Right.
in 30
Just
years.
not
You know what I'm
caring.
saying? Just like
Just
be
comfortable.
60, fat on the beach, drinking fucking pina coladas.
It's
don't
beautiful.
care. Just chilling,
Beautiful.
my dick out. Don't
Actually,
care.
drinking Red Bulls.
Yeah, drinking Red Bulls.
The sponsor.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. I know we all get act full.
That's our new campaign for Red Bull. Apparently, it's we're still trying to get it authorized. Not sure why.
Yo,
What's the
shout out to
hold up?
Jamaicans for doing mad unauthorized like promotional shit for
Well,
companies.
you know,
Shout out to what's the other song? The Clark song.
we do. Listen, Jamaica. If we're passionate about some shit,
Let's do a song.
we do a song.
Do you got a
right?
Heineken song yet?
Also, can we drop some horns right here? Bah, 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 bah. Shout out to the brand for influences shit.
Oh, true.
Last episode 19.
True,
What
speak
did I
on it.
say? I said Jamaica needs to drop that. Get out of here. Watch out, little bitch.
Yep, teach
Get
these
the queen
devils.
off the money.
Teach these devils.
Teach these devils.
You know what I'm saying?
And what did Jamaica say?
They taught these devils.
They said, all right, man. They're getting out. Today's actually Queen Elizabeth's birthday.
Oh,
She's 90 years old.
Oh.
Get out here, little bitch.
fuck out of here.
Think about Queen Elizabeth.
90 too
basically-
old.
She is too old. She's basically on welfare.
Yeah.
Let's keep it 100.
Come on.
She got no job.
You're not contributing to society, me.
She's not real. The
know
only
what I'm
queen
saying?
we respect is Latifah and Queen B.
That's it.
Lil' Kim. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
Queen Elizabeth hasn't had a good verse in a couple years.
When?
She was on the Scenario remix. She flamed that.
She
but
flamed
that's
that, but
about
that was it, dog. That's
It
really
was
her
like,
last
it
memorable
was the grime
verse.
one with Dizzy Rascal, so
Yeah,
that shit
yeah.
wasn't really popping.
Yeah.
Popping my combo house.
Man them burn the console say, man them fire. Man them power with the bars. Can you put a grind beat behind that? And it'd be like the without them man then and what to man them in it.
Yo, shout out to everyone in England.
Shout out to all the man them.
Shout
in
out
English.
to shout out to my massive out there in South London.
UK massive.
Matter of fact, if Drake can become Jamaican, apparently, since he's becoming Jamaican,
Yeah, we could be grime guys.
we're grime guys.
That's
now,
it. Fuck
all
it.
right?
That's
you
it.
you know I already bang with Peckham, old Peckham, not the new gentrified Peckham.
No,
They
no,
don't
no.
have gates now. They have like cupcake shops.
No.
You know what I'm
the
saying?
the old shit.
All right, we're
the old hood shit.
up in Clapton.
That's right, nigga.
All right, and Brixton.
You know what I'm saying? Council Estates.
All right,
You know what I'm saying?
you know the Bodega Boys, Bronx.
Karate trousers. You know what I'm saying? Yo, your jeans are phony, fam. Them niggas talk crazy. I love that shit. But it's like, yo, if you have a knife out there, it's like you're banging out there. But if you have
Yo.
a gun, it's like you're a terrorist, pretty much.
Pretty much, like niggas die from flare guns and shit. Like
That's wild.
Like, come
That's
on.
wild.
We were talking about this yesterday. Like That's kind of when you get into the areas like you don't really know what happens when you pull a gun.
Yeah.
Because like your whole life you watch Looney Tunes, so you think if someone shoots you, you're just covered in soot. Your fucking your duck bill spins around the back of your head. No, that's not what happens.
That's not what happens at all.
You get shot with a flare gun though. You're gonna be a world of pain.
Oh yeah, I
It's
can imagine.
not, you know.
I mean, yo, listen, don't get shot. You know what I'm saying? Just try to live your life and not
Major
get shot.
key. Major Bronx key.
Major key alert.
Major key alert. Don't get shot.
Don't ever play yourself and don't ever get shot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't get shot. Don't get your face slashed.
You could get grazed. Getting grazed is cool. I got
Getting
grazed.
grazed.
I got grazed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's cool.
If you get an in and out, like
That
a
also
clean in and out,
Yeah.
with no flesh tissue, you be.
If
all
you
right.
get grazed and you let that shit scar, then you could be like, I got shot. I'd be like, I got shot.
That's like the NYC
what I'm saying?
bar. That's the cookout uniform. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Couple cement fours, some fatigue shorts,
Yeah.
an American flag
Yeah.
T-shirt, and like a bullet scar.
Ooh.
Woo, you getting all the bitches.
If you got a wild
Like someone, as soon as you get to
in
the barbecue, oh, you got the zipper,
The
in
zipper
your
in your
stomach,
stomach?
from
Woo.
getting shot. As soon as you get to there, someone gonna make you a plate. Like, here you go, daddy.
Here you go, daddy.
Here you go,
If you
daddy.
get the zipper stomach and you can rock, you can still be fat and rock that.
Yeah.
Like if I had a zipper stomach right now, I could rock.
You can rock that. You could be shirtless.
You can be shirtless all day. But if you have a zipper stomach and you get brolic,
Woo. Or like you had the tattoo before you got shot.
Yeah.
So now the tattoo
It's like all ripped up
It's
and
all
shit.
ripped up with the keloid.
yeah.
Woo.
But you can
Niggas
still
know.
kind of tell that it says like 173rd Street.
But it's some shit that says
Yeah.
like, yo, real gangsters don't die.
Yeah. This nigga.
Ooh.
That's like,
That's what I'm gonna do this. I'm doing that this summer and getting a bike.
can't wait.
I'm doing all the mistakes.
We're going to be the first niggas to make it pop and to get plastic surgery scars.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, what would Chris Brown do?
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
my life motto.
Straight up.
That's my life motto.
You know what I mean?
Listen, life's a bitch and I'm about to choke her. Do a flip. Chris Breezy.
Yo, shut the breezy. Shut the breezy. The March Madness flip is really a timeless moment in history.
Listen, he can do it. That's why like I bang with Chris Brown because that can you pull off that flip?
Can you?
Anyone who has anything bad to say about Chris Brown,
Just show 'em that.
stand in front of an arena, play March Madness, and perfectly time your front flip to that front flip you did. What a
Okay.
time to be alive.
Yeah.
Okay?
Niggas
So that
don't know.
once and it cured my little
Niggas
sister's
don't-
cancer.
see, niggas don't appreciate it.
They don't appreciate
bro.
shit.
You know, niggas never take a step back and look at society and appreciate what we're living through right now. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of cool shit happening, like Chris Brown doing front flip to March Madness.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Donald Trump is gonna be president, get assassinated. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be lit.
Okay. Allegedly. Can't say shit like that.
Is it lit to be like?
The Secret Service is gonna come after us. So
Oh
we're
yeah,
gonna
no,
say
don't come after me.
allegedly.
No. I'm not doing none of that. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? I don't got no guns in my house. I promise. Not my house. But like, if you get so high that you are making a question in your podcast and you forget what that question was,
Yeah.
and then you turn that question into a question.
That's what just happened.
Yeah.
So it happening though.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna help
Yeah.
you. But it's like you was playing mental Jenga, and I was like, yo, I gotta let this tower fall. Gotta get this nigga off the table.
That's really Susan Sarandon came out with that hot take about Trump. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying?
Listen, Susan Sarandon. Listen, you know, shout out to Susan Sarandon.
She's wise, B.
She's wise.
I listen to people that are older than 50 and are not crazy,
Mm-hmm.
even though crazy is an ableist term.
Yeah.
Because it's like, yo, you lived through some shit, so you got some insight. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? Like, I still listen to my pops when he tells me shit. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm like, yo, come on, man, you just drank a whole bottle of Cavassier. How could you make sense right now? You know what I'm saying?
Because
But I still
older people, they either know or they're an example of what not to do.
Right, exactly.
Either or.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
either or.
Yep,
It's either or.
perfect.
You know? And
Speaking of
sometimes
that-
when you don't know what to do, you know, you have to go to a source of information.
Mm-hmm.
For example, and this is sponsored by JewFacts. Do you not know how to celebrate Passover? We have an app for that. Passer.
Passer.
P-A-S-S-R. A downloadable app. Bring the Passover to you.
Yeah.
Have the gefilte fish delivered by drone.
Hide the matzah.
Oh, it's lit.
Yo,
Brandon.
I can't. Damn, I'm actually pretty hyped for Passover.
Are you hyped for Passover?
Because my wife.
What's like the Passover song? Is there like the NFL? What's it like the NBA playoffs theme for Passover? Like is like a Jew version of that?
It's definitely a Drake song.
Yeah.
I just don't know which one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure. I think it started from the bottom. Pause. Oh, you doing the Mero flow now? This nigga's eating Fritos on camera?
Oh yeah.
Those aren't pita chips, though, by the way.
These are chili cheese.
Chili cheese?
Chili cheese.
Oh, okay.
All right, and they're good as fuck.
Are they spicy?
I guess they're like white people spicy.
Okay.
But Jamaican spicy is like, yo, take a cutlass and cut my tongue open.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I went to a restaurant the other day and the lady was like, I don't worry, it's very spicy. Shit was not spicy.
Yeah. No, when white people tell you I gotta warn you it's very spicy, that means it tastes like mayonnaise. Yeah. So you gotta
drink water.
You gotta take, you know what I'm saying,
take it.
temper your expectations.
Speaking of white people with spices, shout out to Hillary Clinton.
Out here.
Carrying hot sauce in her bag all the time.
I threw this shit off the glass.
You know what I'm saying? That's like that. Hillary Clinton carries hot sauce everywhere she goes.
And she's been doing it. But like, you know, obviously Twitter, we gotta jump to conclusions and be like, yo, she's pandering. But she did pander. I got broads in the White House. But yo, she's been pandering for so long that it's like
it is.
Everything she does is like, yo, you're pandering. You know
What's
what I'm
funny
saying?
is like when she really brings Bernie, like is she gonna have to still? She's not gonna have to still pander because like we're gonna fall in line.
Come on,
for everyone, fall in formation. Put on
Uh-huh.
your Ivy Park. Let's fall in formation.
Let's fall in formation and move the country forward.
I like my nasals negro.
Yo, you know how many people are like, yo, if you don't bang with Hillary, you're misogynist?
Yeah.
But it's like, fam.
I mean,
what if I don't bang
hear
with
that.
Hillary? Because
People-
I'm like, I
this
don't
is my
bang with
thing.
Hillary.
It's like, listen, I am not a misogynist.
Okay.
I bang with Hillary, and if she is the nominee, I will support that cunt.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, like I can see that because some people are like, you know, the people are afraid of a powerful woman.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, but like, yo, other places have women presidents and shit. Like, it's not a big deal.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We got black president. We got the white people were like, let's get out of that. Let's get that out of the way.
there.
Let's get that.
Let's go back to the default settings.
Yeah, come on. Let's
Let's go back to can we do a factory reset?
Yeah, that was a fun little experiment.
Yeah. To the presidency, right back to the Apple store. Like, no,
I was told by Apple Care.
This is not what I bought. This is not what my MacBook is supposed to be doing.
Hillary's definitely gonna be like, I was told by Apple Care
Yeah.
that I could go to the White House and be the president.
She's a professional politician, and I think like people are mad at her for that, but at the same time, that's like her skill. So you know, listen.
She politicking.
Listen.
I mean, I also politic,
You
but I don't
understand
fuck
how cantankerous this shit is? It's gonna be Donald versus Hillary.
cantankerous and dangerous.
We love. Just going at each other.
Yeah. Oh god.
gonna be
Who's
lit.
gonna be her running mate though?
Who's gonna be running mate?
Yeah. Bill. Imagine Bill being the first nigga of the White House.
Oh, he's gonna use that term too.
He's gonna use that.
First nigga.
I'm the first nigga
I'm
of
the
the
first
White
nigga of the
House.
White House.
Shout out to all my super predators.
We out here.
We out here in these
Shout out
streets.
to the Bodega Hive.
What if Bill Clinton was like, yo, I bang with y'all mad hard. You gotta ride with me. He's like, y'all gotta take pictures with me, Desus.
If Bill
Mero,
Clinton was like,
come here.
he rocks with Bodega Hive. Next time Black Lives Matter people act up, I'm opposite the crowd.
You don't want to hear the truth. That's the problem, is they don't want to hear the truth.
They're gonna be like, Black Lives Matter. I'm gonna have to run up on Netta like, not here, my sister. Not here. There's a time and place for this.
Not here, sis.
DeRay, not here. I understand, my brother. Yes, we will win, but just not right now.
Let's go into overtime.
Let's go into overtime. We were talking in the green room. Yo, it's been episode 20.
That's right.
Bodega Boys in the building. Live from 220 West 18th Street. It's your boy Young Jesus Nice. Not Young Jesus Nice, but Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus H. Fuego, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Chris Pro Sling This, a.k.a. Buchos Gully, a.k.a. Milovan Slobodan Might Know Your Bitch, a.k.a. 1994, a.k.a. Mr. Nueva York in Nueva York.
WWOR-TV. I don't know why I said that. It
felt like the right place.
It felt like the right place to do that. Yeah. Yo, it's your boy Mero, aka Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka East Street My Stevie B. You feel me? Aka Papi Shampoo. You know what I'm saying? Touch a girl in the poo poo. Bodega Boys, episode 20.
You know
Throw it
what
off
it
the
is.
glass.
And remember, don't be in our Instagram. If you're Bodega Hive, you know it's every 2 weeks.
Come on.
It's every 2 weeks like clockwork.
All you
right?
new niggas.
All you new niggas.
Come on, in the
Right?
mentions on a Tuesday.
Come on.
Where's the art?
Come
on a
on.
Tuesday?
So enjoy this art, and the next one will be in 2 weeks. Until
Yeah.
then, sit, Ubu, sit. Good dog.
A roof.